And then when I probably leave, I can try to restart my
Justin is lagging. Okay. Good morning, YouTube. What's going on, baby? Welcome back to the Trader Shop with me.
You hear me?
Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals. Yes, we can hear you, Justin. We can hear you. Justin is lagging pretty bad, so he's trying to fix whatever's going on.
Okay, I'm about to. I know.
Back.
I'm about to restart my computer.
No doubt.
That's what I said. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, it's just lagging behind. It's all good. Anyway, welcome back to the Trader Shop, ladies and gentlemen. My name is T. Hobbs. Still waiting on Jay Seals. You know he got a little bit of technical difficulties, but please make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to Friday. If you marked safe from blowing your account, congratulations. You made it this far. Don't blow it this week, right? If you're in a live account, consider taking some profits on the day, right? Congratulations. You did a great job. Me, personally, I'm taking a mental break, i.e. from putting any actual risk on the table. My plan is to bring out the funded accounts next week. I've been working pretty hard this year, so I'm going to try to start paying myself a little bit, right? So my goal next week on Tuesday is to start trading my funded accounts. And what I told myself was I hit a little bit of a, not necessarily a wall per se. I would just say that I noticed something about me. While the market has been so very, very bullish, I've been fading a lot of short opportunities to the point where I'm looking for the bullish opportunity so much that it's making me lose little paper cuts, understanding that trying to get in early for the bullish move, knowing that I see the bearish move right there. So today I'm going to be paper trading inside of TradingView. I'll probably do it live on the channel, right? And my focus is to really work on my short areas this week, this Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday, I'm going to be paper trading everything. And then Tuesday, I'm going to go back to actually putting some risk on the table. So that being said, I appreciate all of you guys so much for getting us closer and closer to that 1K sub allocation, so to speak, or level, right? We're at over, I think we're at like 970. I mean, we just started the show. We used to have 5 people in here, man. Like 6 months ago, we used to have 5 people in here. Now we start the show. We 2 minutes and 50 seconds in. Between Twitter and YouTube, we got 73 people in here. So that's an absolute blessing, man. Like that's an absolute blessing. So that being said, without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into the NQ plan. And when Justin gets here, he can go over to. Actually, he's coming in right now. We got a celebrity in the building coming to the stage, Mr. Steal Your Girl, Mr. Let Russ Cook, Mr. Light Skin himself.
You know what?
Jay Seals. What's up?
You know what I'm gonna do? You know what might be messing me up is this green screen. This green screen might be the reason why I've been lagging so
right.
much.
Yes.
Hold up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn on my other light. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, you're right. It didn't start doing that until after you did that.
Yeah,
mine used to do that too. That's why I went to the blurred screen, because
I'm gonna go
between the green screen and Bookmap, and we working on these little laptops, like it probably just can't handle it all.
Yeah, I just thought about it. I was like, man, I wasn't lagging before when I did the blurred screen. I was like, maybe that's what it's been this whole time.
Yeah. All right, so now that Justin's back, and nobody really cares about ES anyway, so I'll go ahead and start on NQ. Nobody really cares.
I mean, you're right.
Look, we don't even care about it, but we write a plan on it anyway. Just in case it ain't working out over here on ES or on NQ rather. So my first thought process on the macro is the overnight trading failed to bring a new high. So we are. Did I write stilling? Wow, I knew it was early. We are still in bearish character. I anticipate more selling if key demand zones can't defend. We still have a massive imbalance that we can feel to the downside from FOMC. So the plan will reflect that. Now, the opposite of that is if these key levels hold to the demand side, we can rally pretty aggressively today. So let's drop down to the 90-minute. I think is where the first bearish plan came from. Yeah, right here on the 90-minute. So we can see that we created overnight supply and we did break structure, even though it looks like we're sweeping this thing right back up, like we're about to slingshot back up. But anyway, 90-minute supply, basically 18,574 through 18,604. And we can look to target 30-minute demand, which is down here that we have yet to tap into at 18,485.75, right? I would love to see the market tap into here because there's so many confluences down here that I'll get into here in a second. So if we don't come all the way up to this 90-minute supply, however, previous day low is going to be another area, or settlement price is going to be another area where price can look to reject, because we are looking pretty selly this morning. All right, we drop down to the 30-minute and we can see that we had this little bitty demand, well, this pretty big massive recovery candle here, and created demand after the result from FOMC, right? So we can look for buyers to defend 30-minute demand at 18,485.75 through 18,438, and we can look to long the market, targeting first 18,532, which is basically where we are right now, or 18,532, and through 18,557. So if you're looking at this, it's just this area right here, right, where we got these lows where the selling became more and more aggressive, which is funny because that's basically what Justin and I were just discussing before the show. Let me switch this over to right here. Okay. So yeah, we got this area right here where all of this selling became pretty aggressive, and that's the area that I'm talking about we could target, right? So sometimes we don't come all the way back up to the supply zone. Instead, we come back into this area where all of that selling started, right? And then we tend to reject from there. So we can look to target that if the buyers defend in this 30-minute demand zone, right? Secondly, or tertiary, we have bearish break and retest, right? And that's going to sit at the daily fib from Wednesday. Wednesday's daily fib I left up here because Wednesday was FOMC day, and I had a good feeling, right, that we could potentially come back down here and retest this area, just because those days create huge volume imbalances, aka gaps, aka fair value gaps, whatever. The market likes to fill these, right? At least 50% of them, right? So look for a bearish break and retest, right? Or bullish. Either one of these will work depending on what price is doing. But if we break it, we're looking for a bearish break of week retest at Wednesday's daily fib at 14,384.75. And you can look to target 2-hour demand or previous 2-hour demand, or I'm sorry, 2-hour demand below us, or the FOMC lows at 18,291.50, right? And then the opposite is true if we hold this area via break and retest back the other way, targeting this previous 30-minute demand zone. And then lastly, this 2-hour demand for the great FOMC, right? This will be the official retest of the low, right? Now, understand that just because I have this demand zone here, I'm going to be looking for price to react anywhere from 334 and down. But the actual demand zone on the 2-hour was created right here, right? So the demand zone is between 291.50, right, to roughly about 233. But again, the buy area, right, the area in which price can react to is anywhere, in my opinion, starting from 334 all the way down, right? So if we do get a reaction, I'm looking for buyers to defend, and we can look to long the market, and you guessed it, targeting that daily fib right there from Wednesday at 14,384.75. So that's my breakdown on NQ. We'll talk about the stocks and the VIX and all that stuff once Justin is done breaking down the ES chart for us. So Justin, if you would.
Yeah, I'll switch over in a second. I was trying to find, did you talk about Powell speaking right now?
No, I know he's speaking, but I really don't care. I think
that he was speaking.
Remember, we used to worry about this, but then we realized like this one's kind of just for show, right? Like it's not really like a actual speech that's on economic. I think it's like him just showing up for a conference or something like that. Usually it's like a predetermined speech or something. I usually just fade this day. I'd be like, whatever.
Yeah. He actually, I guess it's transitioning to a post-pandemic economy is what he's talking about. So that's kind of interesting.
Exactly. Nothing that's important for the market, basically. But it's red folder news because he's Jerome Powell.
Right. I mean never mind. The market clearly didn't care, but I don't know. I always find it interesting when he talks. But anyway, moving forward. So on ES, so on ES, this trend line yesterday held really nicely. I was kind of expecting us to break out, but we didn't. So this trend line, let's go to the 4-hour. This trend line, there's just this trend line on the top. We touched it once, twice, 3 times, and we sold off from this trend line. So if you're looking for shorts on ES, that would have been a really nice area to look for shorts. And off this trend line, let me go to 15 minutes. Off this trend line, we created a really nice 1-hour supply zone. And then overnight, we created this 90-minute supply zone. So basically, I'm just looking for this downtrend to kind of continue since we broke this structure right here to the downside overnight. So any retest of this 90-minute supply zone at 53.0750, I'm looking for rejections. And then my first target would be this swing right here, just because this is where the new buying is started at 5294. And if we can get below there, then it would be 5287, and then this buyer's level at 527725. Now, what I'm really hoping for, though, and I think this kind of lines up with Hobbs, is what I'm really hoping for is really strong selling at open down into 5287 or 527725, because I'll look to long off of these two areas. I didn't really put this level in my pre-market plan, but this level kind of coincides with the 30-minute demand zone that we have over on NQ. It's just not a demand zone over on ES, mainly semantically because it's a green candle. But I mean, if we look at this from an objective standpoint, I mean, this thing pushed all the way down and came all the way back up. This is the level of demand, right? So I wouldn't mind playing off of these two levels as long as we get aggressive selling in the morning. Like, I want to see really strong selling, because I think if we see a lot of strong selling, a lot of bears will start to FOMO into the move late, and then they can get trapped down here only for us to come back up. Because if you guys remember, overall, we're still net bullish. Like, even though we're coming down, the market is still bullish. Like, the market's still on a high.
My bad.
What's up?
I thought we were interrupting you, so I had you on mute. You're not in the Discord.
Oh, my bad.
Because you reset your computer. I was like, hey, y'all stop talking. Justin trying to give his speech. He's like, I can't hear Justin. I was like, oh, he reset his computer, so he never jumped back to Discord.
I didn't hold up. There we go. My bad, guys. I never jumped back.
Me and Valdez was going back and forth, cat, and I'm like, Valdez, chill out. Justin talking, man. He's like, I can't hear Justin. I was like, oh. Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah. I never came back. All right, my bad. But yeah, I lost my train of thought. Okay, so yeah, strong selling. If we see very, very strong selling in the morning, same thing with NQ. I want to see the same exact thing. So you could look at this ES or NQ, because I mean, come on, they're damn near the same instrument anyway, right? Besides how far they move. But really strong selling into this level, I want to see it get ate up by buyers, and then we can look for longs. This is the only way I'm looking for longs today. Would be these two areas, especially because ES doesn't really move as much. And I mean, if we're talking about a 30-point sell-off down, that's a massive move on ES. So yeah, that's really my plan on ES. Sorry, Discord. You guys can keep talking now and, you know, acting like I'm not here, because I wasn't. Okay. What are you talking? Oh, you talking about on NQ last night? Oh. Yeah, 830 was a nice long, but I still think we still haven't gotten above that 90 minute. So as long as we're below the 90 minute, I think that at least what I'm hoping we sell off, break through this structure, really, really strong selling this morning. That kind of makes all the bears be FOMO, because you got to think, like, especially right now, a lot of people are very bullish. So if we start selling, think about how instantly they're all going to become bearish, and then we can capitalize on those people being bearish.
Or London and Tokyo.
Mm-hmm.
Dug in pretty deep is crazy.
Wild. He got him. Oh, he got him.
That's wild.
Valdez, that's your one pass on the day. I'll give it to you. That's your one pass on the day.
It's too early to be talking about dug in pretty deep, bro. I need you to chill.
Now, How deep was you dug in? Like a pinky level deep?
You need to chill. Yep.
You ain't touch London.
No. Oh, I thought you were trading. I thought you were trading London because. Oh yeah, it was nice, man. I went to bed early, but I woke up. I looked at London. I said, "Oh, London was moving slow too. Really nice moves."
Yeah, we had some nice strong buying. We had some nice strong buying up out of this level.
Yeah, that's why I thought about it. I thought about it on my way to bed last night, and I said, you know what? I'm just not going to trade till Tuesday because I feel like I've just been really struggling with not shorting the market. But I was like, man, I need to fix this. I need to really fix this. Plus, like, we've been going pretty hard over the last 2-3 months, man. We've been going pretty hard, and I've been going like triple time. So I think that's why my body can't wake up for London right now. It's because my body's trying to tell me I need to get some rest. So I told myself mentally, I'm just gonna not put any. I don't have anything open. I don't have TraderVate open. I don't have Top Step X open. Only thing I got open is what you guys see up here right now. Like I'm not trading anything with actual risk. I'm just gonna wait until about Tuesday, something like that. And whenever I feel comfortable is when I'm gonna trade for real again. But go ahead, brother.
I got 87 people watching on X right now, which is funny because normally you're blowing me out of the water on X. I don't know what happened today.
It's light skin, bro.
It's X going crazy.
The power of the light skins, bro.
Maybe it's the power of Jerome. Jerome's in the title. You know, anytime Jerome is in the title, people just want to see because it's Jerome Powell.
Facts. But yeah, man, it's all good. I really wish that they would just come over to YouTube, honestly. But
I know, but they you know what though? There's no delay over there on X, and people, I don't know what it is. I'm trying. I tried. I begged. I'm not above begging. And look, just so y'all know, all 87 people over there. Let me see what we looking like over here. Hold on a second. 87 people.
I'm not above begging.
Look, we're at 972 subs, and I got 87 of y'all watching over on X. I just need 30. And look,
it ain't gonna work, bro. I tried.
Pops has 14 people. Look, I just need 30 of y'all to bless us, right? I'm not asking for much because it's free. All you got to do is just hit youtube.com/the trader shop, right? All you got to do. And then hit that little subscribe button and get us to 1,000. That's all you got to do. And I will appreciate you for life. I'm not begging, but I'm begging. All right?
We'll appreciate you for life.
For life. You'll always have a seat at my table, all right? Just 30 of y'all. Just come over there and just bless us with the subscribe. Like I said, I'm not against begging because beggars can't be choosers. And I ain't choosing. So
I ain't choosing, but I'm choosing to beg.
I ain't choosing, but I'm choosing to beg. That's a good one. I should put that on a shirt.
Yeah, right there. I ain't choosing, but I'm choosing to beg, baby. Anyway, let's jump into this to the overall stock market. Let me switch screens here. Let's take a look at the overall stock market as we continue this aggressive selling. And let's look and see what they have to say about it. So let's jump into the Apples, the Amazons, the big dogs of the world. So Apple has been in this range, honestly, all week, all month, right? It's sitting down at the previous day low. We get a little bit of aggressive and then we come down and just drop lower, right? So down at 172 after people was buying at 200, and I told y'all, don't you buy Apple at $200, but hey, it is what it is. Microsoft looking kind of bearish, right? But we still need to break below the previous day low, not because it's the previous day low, because it's the structural low of 427. Microsoft danced around at its highs all day yesterday, and now it's trying to put in a higher low, right? And potentially go back up. But we need to hold this low right here. We do have a change of character currently, but we're in bullish character overall, all right? If we go look at NVIDIA, it's the same thing as Microsoft. Sitting down the previous day low is going to be very key to break. If we can get below this previous day low, this downtrend that we're currently in, right? Higher highs. lower highs, more lower highs, right? And now we're trying to put in this lower low right here, right? We take a look at Meta. Meta kind of does its own thing, but it's still giving that bearish character as well, right? Look back at Amazon, same thing. Amazon tried to break its previous day low, it failed, right? So if you look around the market, it gives you an idea of what everything is doing. But to me, with all of the other indicators that I look at in regards to, when I say indicators, I mean the overall stock market, right? The Mag 7, the leading indicator for me is always going to be this guy, right? Of all of those, because if the VIX continues to push up, right? Because you can see, as opposed to being in bearish character, it is in bearish character here, but it's starting to look bullish, right? We're putting in a higher low here, or higher low here, and we're starting to look like we want to start to break above some highs. Also, looking at the tape right now, there's a lot of aggressive selling hitting the tape right now. So either we start to bounce or jump. It doesn't matter to me. I'm going to trade price action, right? And today, my focus as I start the paper trade, you'll see me kind of put some trades on. I would not follow my paper trade regimen because I just don't have a really good paper trading history. I don't know why. I'm just not that good at paper trading. But I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to give it the old heave-ho, right? If you guys want to follow the trades up here, I'm going to be taking legit trades, right? I'm not going to be just, throwing trades on just because. But, it's up to you. Follow at your own risk. That's all I'll tell you, right? So we have this 5-minute supply zone that we just talked about, right? We were talking about this area here as a potential for price to react to, because this is where the buying started and the selling broke through that structure. We came back up and we retested this area, right? This is the high, or this is the high here that brought the overall low. If we just take this all the way down, you see we tap right into that 50%, right? And then we started to sell off. However, it could go either way right now. This is why it's so hard for me to be a bear, man. I can't stand it. I hate this about myself, because every time I see the fact that we change character, right, and we come up and retest, even though we slam down, I still see the buying coming in, and I'm like, but maybe there's a chance, right? Maybe there's a chance that bulls can come back, but I'm just going to try to follow the structure and let structure be the deciding factor, as opposed to my opinion and my overall, bullish bias. So right now, structure is telling me to be bearish, so I'm going to look to be bearish on these paper trades. So chop in with the family. Room lady, good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. LG Willie in the building says good morning. I don't know if I want to call you LG Willie. I don't like Willie. We're just going to call you LG. Bray is in the building, says good morning, traders. What's going on, Bray? Room lady with the sunshine. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, John. Good morning. Yeah, I'd be like that too, bro. You gotta lean the opposite way of the pain. So I lean to the right to stretch out that spinous right there, because my pain is on the left. So lean the opposite way of the pain. Ooh. My name used to be Xavier. It was so long ago. There it is. We figured him out again. We got him, Justin. Don't forget it. It's Xavier. X20.
I'm gonna forget. X20.
Yeah, purple haze 20. But if I remember X20, I'll never forget his name again. So
wasn't that an X-Men movie? Wasn't there an X-Men movie named like X20? Or maybe there's an X-Men named X20.
Have you been to the future and back? Maybe there's an X20 in like 20 years. I don't think there's an X20 right now.
Maybe it was an X20. Maybe it was X23. I don't know. I do not look like Lionel Richie.
You do look like Lionel Richie.
I do not.
Bro, you do look like Lionel, bro. I just realized that. That's exactly who you look like.
I don't. No, I do not look like Lionel Richie. No.
Yeah, bro. You do look like this. Lionel Richie look like he could be your daddy, bro.
No, Lionel Richie looks like a fish. I don't like Lionel Richie. I do not.
Bro, this dude look like he could be your daddy, bro.
No. Nope. I don't look like Lionel Richie. I do not. You better stop. I don't look like that man.
I'll put you back to back with Lionel, bro. Hold on.
I saw it. I do not look like Lionel Richie. I don't look like him. I do not. I do not look like him. I don't look like him. He looked like
that look like Justin right there, doesn't it?
No. I don't look like Lionel Richie. What's up?
Look at Justin Daddy, y'all.
No.
Is it me you're looking for?
I actually don't know any
Hello?
of Lionel Richie's songs, funny
You
enough,
should.
but
It's your
I
daddy.
do not. No.
Look like he got bullied.
He looked gay, honestly.
Hello.
No. Nope.
Look at Justin Pops, y'all.
No. I don't like that man.
Nah, look, this picture right here, you definitely don't look like you. This one right here, this one is bad sauce right
He
here.
He looked like a fish. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure the thumbnail is damn near the same identical pose. I don't know.
Whoa, that's right. They got the same thumbnail. Holy crap. Hold on.
I don't look like him.
Hold on. Let me see. It's the same thumbnail, bro.
It is pretty close. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm weak. They got the same pose. Oh my god.
I probably shouldn't say that. No, it is not me. It's not me. You say you know all light skins look alike. Also not true. Y'all that's haters.
Totally true.
Oh my god. No chill. Young Lionel.
Bro, look. They got the same pose. Look at the thumbnail, y'all. It's the same pose.
I knew he was gonna say so. It's no, sir. No, sir.
Look, Lionel, Justin.
No,
it's the same person.
It's not. I'll take his money, but that's about all. No.
Justin and Lionel are one and the same, bro. They pose the same, bro. Have you been studying Lionel, bro?
No.
Have you been studying Lionel?
No.
See, and this is why I say, look, every time I look to be bearish, here come these damn bulls. See? See? Yay!
We're not. No. No.
You see what I'm saying? Like, what's wrong with them? This is why y'all wonder why I can't be bearish. I cannot be bearish in this market. It's like, bro, just sell off. Like,
I'm not gonna look like that at 65. Off. Don't stop it. I'm not.
Every time I look for a sell-off,
thank you.
The Bears bulls be like, yeah, 20 points. Let's go. Back up. Like, damn. Like, this sell-off took 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Look, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes to sell off. This one candle on the 1 minute was 1 minute, and it damn near took out that entire rally. That entire dump.
Yeah.
Freaking nuts, man.
We'll see what happens though.
I like the shorts. I like the shorts. I just don't like the shorts, if that makes sense.
Nope, market's open.
Yeah, here they come. Here come the Bears. Like he raised pit bulls, bro. How you look like you raised pit bulls? What does that look like? How is that a characteristic of somebody's features?
That is actually really funny. But I think it's somebody who raises pit bulls as being like a really big black man that's super dark and like just huge, not somebody who I don't know.
So I look like I raised pit bulls?
You could raise pit bulls, yeah.
Oh, they was talking about me. I thought they was talking about you. I'm like,
no, he said brown skin, bro, looked like he raised pit bulls. Oh yeah, I think he's talking about you.
Yeah.
He's talking about you.
I got the shoulders. Yeah. I can see that.
You.
I do look like I raised pit bulls. I can see that. My wife actually wants a pit bull. I might get her one.
Yeah, my next door neighbor has a pit bull. It looks like this sell-off is about to ensue. I'm about to get
it's coming,
exactly
baby.
What I want.
It's coming. It's crazy though.
Somebody get this man.
Did y'all
Valdez?
read my
Valdez?
Did you get my did you see my Twitter post this morning bragging on Yeet? I was like, Trader Shop is coming. Pause.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Did we get any? God, y'all people on X just must hate YouTube, huh? Y'all just must hate YouTube.
Look, see, this is why I can't be a bear. Y'all seeing this shit? Like, are y'all seeing this shit? Like, what? I think we already met it. We already met the narrative. Like, bro, man. But see, then we end up coming back down, bro. Look. See, when the market bullish, it don't do all this shit. It just go up. Yeah, that was another sweep.
Ooh.
Bro, and then they buy it right back up. It's like, bro, what are you doing?
I gotta say it like that.
But
he said this is a long candle. You did say long that long. He said that was a long candle.
Yo, look at the Dow. The Dow is slamming down. The Dow looks nothing like NQ, bro. The Dow is like, bye-bye. Look at the Dow, bro.
I wonder.
Yo, this is why I feel like NQ be hella manipulated, man. Like the Dow just slams down, like bye-bye. NQ be like, wait, we got to steal some more liquidity from all the retail over here. Keep buying the damn market.
C-bot. Oh man, let's see, bot. It's not CME. About to say, I was hoping we could see the book map on the Dow, but we can't.
Oh no! I think we only get 2 instruments.
Well, I think we can view only 2 instruments at the same time. But if you close one of them and open up a new one, you should be able to see. But then maybe not. I don't know. Is the CME only? I wonder if the CME is only just NQ and ES. If so, I feel gypped. Oh, really?
Yeah, no, there's plenty.
No.
All right, right now, again, a lot of accumulation at these highs, which leads me to believe we're probably going to sell off. Looking at the tape, we got a lot of liquidity sitting up there at 545. We're tapping right into this box right here. We got resting liquidity at 545. We got accumulation happening here at the highs after an aggressive sell-off right at the 50%. I think this is a really good area for the market to begin its sell-off here. I'm just going to allow this initial sell-off to happen. See how we're forming this drop-based drop right here? This initial sell-off creates a really nice area for price to come back in and retest. If we don't sell off here, this will be a really nice base, right, for demand to push back up. So right now we're in bullish character, but we're in bearish character because we broke the bullish character when we dropped below 534. So we came back up to try to retest that and failed, right? So maybe we sweep the high first or something like that, but right now we're in bearish character again. So
yeah, there's a lot of orders, a lot of volumes being built. We're in this area. You can see it if you look at Bookmap. If you guys in Discord are looking at Bookmap, the POC is right where we're at right now. So the market's just kind of trying to decide where it wants to go, up or down. But I think the good thing is whichever way this goes, this area will be an area of interest afterwards because of how many orders have gotten placed in this area. Yeah, that's what Howes was talking about. 545. Yeah, there's a lot. I want to see if we fill it though.
You know what time it is, bro. Go up and get it. Come back down or slam the dough right now. That's what I was pointing out this morning is that resting liquidity sitting up there. So I want to see if we go take that liquidity and then go down, or do we that liquidity start coming down and getting closer to price? I would like to see us take that liquidity, but because I think is that London? No, that's just New York pre-market. Yeah, from that sell-off. Yeah, I want to see it. I'd love to see it take that liquidity first. All right, let me invert my charts. If you're watching me on YouTube, I'm inverting my charts because I'm going to be paper trading this from a bearish standpoint right now, because this is this queen up here is the overall high right here, right? So until we get back above 608, the market's going to continue to be bearish, right? Therefore, I'm going to be looking to short the market.
So 545, that's the high of the day currently. So that's interesting.
It really is, huh? Yeah. Yeah, which would be good because we just swept the low. So maybe we come back up and sweep the high and either come back up to 574 and come back up to all of this selling. Either way it goes, like I said, I'm gonna be patient here.
Yeah.
Yep, I see it.
Yeah, we built a whole bunch of volume here. Let's see what we do.
Purple Haze said, "Nigga, you gonna look like that when you 65."
I know. I read that.
I just read that.
I'm about to ban Purple Haze. Purple Haze is about to get the ban hammer. X20.
Twice said, you know, all light-skinned people look alike. That's so racist. Bro, that's you.
That's not me. That's not me. Wait, hold up.
Your lagging is stopped, so clearly it was the green screen.
It was the green screen. Hold up, let me.
Yeah, I tell you, don't mess with me, Justin. I'll screenshot this right now. Put you side by side. Don't F with me, bro.
That's what he looked like. But I don't look like that though. His lips are like 10 times bigger than mine.
Jay, you remember when you was in the military? You used to grow out that cop mustache. That's exactly how Lino used to do his shit too. Justin used to show up with that pedophile looking mustache. I'm like, bro, if you don't cut that nastiness,
that's the only facial hair I can have, man.
Bro, that rug was horrible, bro.
Wait,
this is the lamest look of your barber.
Should
be like,
we started streaming after I had already gotten out, right? So y'all ain't never seen the.
Yeah, they never seen you in the crypto shop.
Hey, yeah, don't even go looking for that. Don't even pull that up.
I used to clown Justin on a daily basis. He showed up with this cop mustache. I was like, bro, like, should I hide my children from you? Like, I'm feeling really weird. Like, what? You don't like the mustache? Like, who likes that mustache? Like, it's not your wife. Your barber doesn't like it. He doesn't think it's a good representation, right, of what he should be doing, right? So why do you like it? All right,
man. I needed something, or else I'd look like I was 10. I needed something.
All right, we tap back into 539 again with more failure, right? Every time we come near 545, there's resting liquidity on the tape at 545. So if you're looking to get short, I think this is a really good area to get short. However, I do believe that we still need a sweep of this high. I would much rather either wait for this to sell off or wait to see if we sweep the high first. Just for my taste. Right.
Yeah, no, I agree. I'm looking at the delta right now, and the delta is nothing but green from about 530 all the way up to 545.
A lot of buying up here.
Because of that, I'm looking to fade all of this, and put all these buyers in pain potentially. So now I like that.
All these sellers in there.
No, the buyers.
Oh, okay, yeah. You mean after we go back to that's why I want to see a sweep of that high first, so that all of those buyers will be looking to continue to buy, and I want to see them get trapped.
Yes. Yep.
Okay, yeah, we're thinking the same thing. I just want to see a sweep of this high first.
We're getting real aggressive here.
All right, tapping into 545 now. Filled all of that liquidity, and there was more buying afterward, but a lack of buying at the absolute high. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, tiny bubbles. There they go. There they go. There they go. They pissed off 545. All right, so they tapped into 545, rest in liquidity. Let's see if they start to reload 545.
Yeah, that buyer up there is trapped.
Yeah, this guy back here, he's super trapped. There's Justin's talking about this buyer right here at 545. This guy that bought right at the top. I can't help but believe that was on purpose. Oh, you got 545? Yeah. I was like, that was a really good entry. Really good entry. I just don't like. I'm not gonna say I don't like it. I would prefer a sweep that high, like go through it and then get filled. But if we don't, I think that's a beautiful fill. I mean, you're already up 20 points. Oh yeah, you're very nice. Yeah, you're right. Good job. Good field, Malik. Good field. One of our Discord members got filled at 54475, which is ridiculous. It's basically the top. Good freaking job, bro. Good job.
Yeah, you just want to see this low get broken through, because this is where a whole bunch of buyers stepped in. But yeah, all those buyers up there are going to be in pain. We might come up one more time, and then we should look to dump. I'm just trying to find an area. Thinking 35.
What's that, bro?
I'm thinking of looking to see if they retap into 35, and see if we.
Yeah, I want to see us sweep the high and come up to 556. That's what I really want to see. But if they want to sell it off here, I'll just be patient and wait.
Yeah, this range is pretty dirty.
Good trade though, Willie. Good job, man. Good job.
Yeah, all these sellers are gonna have to get stopped out. Or sorry, buyers are gonna have to get stopped out. And their stops are probably down here at these lows, which is probably why we got filled and came back up.
It's just so choppy. It's so choppy, man. It's like it just feels like you're never. When you're a bear, it just feels like you're never truly in control. Like that's why it's just I don't know. When it gets going, it goes, but then it stops. Like you get these aggressive sweeps, and then it just stops. And I'm just like, man, I'd much rather just be a bull. Just let me know when y'all done selling. Like, look how long this is taking to just sell. Like, you remember the days we used to just pump it open. Woo! All right, here they come. Here come the bears. Yeah, or dump. Yeah. Here come the bears. Break through that 500 level. It's going to be key to get through 492. Very good. Very good trade, Malik. Kill count. 60 points off the rip. Let's get it. Well, not 60. It's 40 points. But you get the point. About to be 60. Shit, I would. I was about to say, I give me that bread. Give me that. But we look pretty selly on the tape. But I mean, the goal of price should be to break through 491. But like you said, securing that 2-to-1, risking the 4-to-1, or risking the 2-to-1 to get a 2-to-1. I think that's a pretty good decision, in my opinion. Yep. 3. Yep. Exactly. It's one and done, bro. One and done. Very good trade. Very good trade. All right, and now
we come down super choppy.
Yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. Great trade, sir. Great trade. Order filled. Remember those days, Malik? Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled. Yeah, now it's one shot. Order filled. Let's go. Let's go. 5-to-1 secure. Way to secure the bag, bro. Way to secure the bag. Good job, man. You know that you know they gotta come back up, bro. You know they gotta come back up. You know they gotta come back up, bro. Well, pause. Blowing on it is crazy. Blowing on it is crazy.
I think I'm rubbing off on everybody. I'm rubbing off.
We was having a good
wait. I gotta say pause.
You in a winning trade? Like we all having a good time. He's like, yeah, I gotta blow on it. Ah, damn it.
Yep.
Damn it.
Blow on it, Malik. Blow harder.
Oh, and here comes Justin with the follow-up. The follow-up. Yeah.
I don't know. Blow
harder.
Blow harder.
Yeah, I was watching It Is What It Is yesterday, bro. The boys had me dying laughing, bro. Dying laughing. They was talking about Gilbert Arenas. How he said something about somebody twerking.
Gilbert Arenas was twerking?
No, it was this other dude twerking. His comment about the dude twerking was watch for a retest of what is this? 519? Wait, no.
I'm looking for
Look for a retest at 524. But
I'm looking for us to hold this area. Oh nope, that selling is strong.
Yeah,
they just
this morning.
Dumped on that. Woo, good lord.
But he was talking about this dude twerking, and he was like, "Yeah, like I paid for that before I paid for Cardi B or somebody else. Somebody he said twerking. He paid for that before he paid
for a dude twerking."
Bro, I was hearing Cam and Mace talk about that shit. Bro, Cam and Mace be having me. I was literally in tears. Mace is something else, bro. Yo, he told him. Yeah, that's what he said. He said, "I'm not what I." Maybe I was watching that one because he was like, "Yo, I'm not what I look like, bro. Like, I'm the guy that'll let it slide for 2 years. Yeah, he's like, I'll get you down the line." He said, "I'll let it slide for 2 years, and then I'm the guy that shows at your doorstep. You don't even remember why I'm there." he said, "I'm vindictive." I said, "Wow." Mace and Cam are freaking hilarious, bro. It's like talking to best show out, bro, by far, bro. The amount of times the punks say pause is ridiculous. Oh my god. If there's a subject, hey, if you a bear right now, whew, if you're a bear right now, yeah. If you're a bear right now, woo, sheesh, man, it's looking real freaking suspect down here at these lows. I'm just gonna say that. I want to see a sweep of the eye. That's what I want to see. But those, I'm sorry, but these wicks at the low, bro, like, hey, what are you doing? He said, "I need you to shut up." Is what I need you to do. Yeah. Look. All I'm gonna say is the only thing that's jacking you up. Yeah, only thing that's jacking you up right now is that Apple just tapped into 2-hour demand, and Google has lost its mind. But Amazon is dropping like a rock, and Nvidia, the VIX is at 50. But again, this is why I just feel so uncomfortable. I just want to take a long. Like I know I said I was going to practice being a bear and all, but man, fuck that. I'm long in this market as soon as I get the opportunity, guys. I can't help it. I can't even do it in practice. But y'all see why though, right? Look at these wicks when you try to sell the market. Like, it's just like, ew is the feeling I get when I see these wicks. I just reinverted them. I can't help myself, bro. I'm a bull. This is a bull market. I'm not shorting shit. Bulls. Let's go. So for me, guys, I'm gonna be waiting a little bit before I take a trade, before I take a paper trade, because here come these bulls right back. I'm sorry.
They coming.
I'm sorry. Coming. It's not me. It's you, bro. Look at the VIX. Not me, it's you. Look at the VIX, Justin.
Look at the VIX. Oh, this thing dumping. Oh my god. I'm on the 45-minute. The VIX look like it's about to have a heart attack, man. But it's consolidating at the low. It's holding the low.
So as long as it doesn't drop below the low and it bounces right here, we should be good. You should be good. Malik, you know you're not gonna sell no matter what I say. So I'm a fly on the wall right now. Oh, it's gonna get hit. Look at these bulls, man. Why would you? I can't short this market, Justin. I'm trying. I just can't.
I mean,
I wasn't even in that trade, and I was nervous, bro. Like I'm like,
you gotta go with the. You gotta.
We didn't make a.
Yeah, we didn't make a lower high or a lower low.
Well, we made a lower low.
Well.
Tell him, Pippy.
Hey,
We're not fucking with those shorts today, bro. I reinverted my charts.
Look. Malik, we can both win because you took the short, but I've been in long, so I'll just eat on these long real fast. I'll just go ahead and eat on this long real fast.
I told you he's a resident hater, bro.
We'll just go ahead and eat on this long real fast.
Let's go, Justin.
I'm up 20 points.
We warned him to get out at them lows, bro. I'm like, bro, Malik.
We'll just go ahead and eat on this long real fast.
Bro, look at the tape. Look at the tape. Look at the tape. They trapped everybody at the low.
We'll just go ahead and eat on this long real fast. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, this candle is nuts, bro.
Come on, push. Give me.
Thanks for the liquidity. Thanks for the liquidity, Malik. See you at the bottom.
So I gotta be careful up here, though. This is where that guy got
right
trapped.
Here, no questions asked. You gotta tell me nothing else. I'm selling at the 50% right here.
Oh, this is the. Nah, I'm a hold because I'm securing the bag, so I'm chilling either way.
As long as you got the bag secured, bro. Nothing.
But I don't like this. I don't like this 1 minute candle right here, though. This thing needs to push.
That was a beautiful entry, bro. I saw that inverse head and shoulders on the fucking 15 second. I said, let me re-invert my chart. You got me effed up. This thing is not going lower. We are not going lower.
Push. Hey, Malik, I'm blowing on it.
No. Oh no. Twice in one day. Remember they filled it. We already filled it. That's what brought us down. They filled it, but with the liquidity down at the bottom was more, I guess. And there was more aggressive buyers at the bottom. I just don't understand. Even if this dumps, you see why I can't be a bear? Like, you see why? Like, do y'all understand why I can't be a bear now? Like, is it 10:30? Or
no.
10?
It's not even 10 o'clock.
Oh, 9:50. 9:50, 10. 9:50, 10, 10, bro. I love it. Let's get it. Perfect 9:50 flip. Good job, Valdez. Good job. Hey man, tell them you quit, bro. I tell them for you. He muted me. Tell him I quit, bro. Tell him we said the shop boys said we quit. Oh, they still buying, Justin. This might be a body, bro. This might be a body. We
gotta break this high right here.
Let's go, Justin. Kill count, Justin.
Go ahead and secure 200 right here. I'm only in 5 micros. It's like I'm gonna size down to 5 micros today. I'm up kindly in this account. So
very well. Enough said.
If this thing wants to go, it can go. My ultimate target is 550, 576. I'm up 2. Or no, I'm up 3. Sorry, I'm up 300.
That man,
hey, 30 points.
That man Malik sit over here like y'all better sell because it's about time to get short again.
511.
It's almost time to get short again. Y'all better be careful up here. That's all I'm gonna say. He said, "I'm watching."
Uh-oh.
If we can't break the high, we're coming back down. But I do like the VIX, and everything else is in confluence with this move up. So
I would love a high break too, because we just tapped back down, bro. It almost hit my stop.
Apple hit demand on the dot, and gone. Yeah, this is a hold. Malik, careful with them shorts, bro. Nvidia is taking off. We got the 950 flip. Oh
yeah, Microsoft is coming back up. Yeah, everything coming up right now.
I don't know. I'm still flat just because I want to see what this yields. I want to see which way we break on this. Like, I don't know if this is a sell, if this is a flip about to happen. If it's a flip about to happen, this thing's about to go nuclear.
Let's go, Michelle. TP hit. Let's go.
Let's go, Michelle. Aye.
Yeah, I'm about to.
I don't know about this here.
Yeah, give me 3. I just took 3 off the board right. I just took 3 off the board right there. I'm taking 3 off at this high. I'm gonna let the rest ride.
We can tell. What a freaking entry!
Stopped out of the rest there for 247.
Hey, good job, bro. Good job. And Malik said, "I told y'all."
Good entry.
You know what's funny is, like, in this range, everybody can win. You know what I mean? Like, you feel like you got to root against one person or blah blah blah. Unless you're looking for a break of structure, like this is money time right here. Because we basically are clear for shorts and longs, depending on how you play it, right? Or both. If you want to trade both.
I'll just look for us to come back down to 14-ish.
Yeah, I got 18. Oh no, I got my box too long. Pause. I like 22. If we can break above the high, we got to break. I just want to see a high break though. If we can get above the high, I like 22. Otherwise, we're still in bearish character right now.
Yeah, because we did just put in a lower high there.
Yeah, because this is the high point for the bears, and the low point for the bulls. We want to see a higher low being put in, but we didn't put a new high in right there, which is bearish.
Yeah. I just want to see. It's
okay, Malik, bro. You did. It's all good, bro. I hear you. Okay.
I'm gonna mark this area down here.
Yeah, I'm still waiting to see what we do. Because this is the way I'm looking at this here, guys. Let me expand this so you guys. I'm sorry, I didn't know you guys were just looking at the screen. So, a couple ways I'm looking at this. Excuse me. I want to see what we do at this high, right? So
we're making our second attempt right now to take out this high. So let's see what happens.
Chessboard. This is bearish. So it's gonna be red here. There we go.
He said must be random.
Yeah, must be random, bro. Must be random.
Killed it last night. Every trade TP hit. Let's go, Michelle. Let's
get it.
My TP definitely didn't get hit, but I was going for the gusto, knowing that we might get rejected here at this high. So it's all good. You gotta know where you can get to, and you gotta get out when you know that we might not get there. We might break through all this, but even if we don't, that's fine. I'll look to get back in at the low, or we could just sell off through, and that's fine too. That low held really nicely, though. Jesus Christ, that low held nicely.
That low, when I seen that, I said, "Oh, this market is about to sin, bro. This market is about to go."
Yeah, I got in a little early, but I ended up putting my stop at the low, and we basically ran that low, and we never looked back. So,
yeah, if you guys look at my screen, did Vay leave her phone today? Possibly, baby. Let me check real quick. Let me double check, guys, because my wife probably hasn't heard from our daughter, so she's probably getting worried. Give me a second.
Let me show you guys what I was looking at on Bookmap real fast while he goes, and I think we're about to continue to push, but it's fine. I'll take my 20 some odd points. Don't bother me none. Yep, there's the push. Damn, I should have said the last 3 to break even. But anyway, so down here, what I was looking at was I noticed that this bid right here got filled, right? So this bid, I don't know how much it was for. Oh, it's because I got this. Okay, there we go. All right, so we had a bid of like 36. So 36 buyers were looking to get filled here, or it could have been 36 sellers looking to take profit. But either way, this got filled, and I said, okay, this big bid got filled here. Let's see what happens. Maybe if we get back above this bid, he'll look to defend his new position, and we can continue going up. So then we consolidated for a little bit. We got over it. So I was looking for the pullback back into this guy, and we broke it, and we broke the structure here. So I said, okay, cool. We broke the structure here. Let's see what happens. We came back down, and then we started to hold this, and we came back down one more time, and we basically held the same area. So I got in long once we started to move up, and then from there, I think I got in long like around 11, I think it was, or 50. Yeah, I think it was like 11, and then we just kind of consolidated, and then we got that nice rip up. So now I have this box here because this was demand. This is demand, right? Some larger participants loaded up into their position here, and so now I'm just waiting to see if we can go ahead and come back in, but we might not because we just broke that high. So this guy that got in short, he's now getting squeezed potentially if he didn't get out at the low. So yeah, that's why I got into that long.
Take that high.
Yeah, we got above it, so we'll see what happens now.
All right, good. Now I'm confident. Now I'm good. Good job for those that got in at the low. Valdez probably still holding. Pip probably still holding. Good job, guys. Really good job. Really good job. Okay, nice. Oh, dope. I love it. Are you using OBS? Nice. I like it.
Yeah, I like OBS. It's pretty easy.
This is a kill count right here. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm starting to get that itch, man. I'm not gonna do it. And
that was a
I saw that low, bro. I was like, I damn near opened up all my accounts. I was like, oh, it's like about this, you like rat to cheese, bro. I saw that low put in, and I said, ooh. That's why I was telling Malik. I was like, I'm not gonna tell you to sell because I feel like when I say that, people sell, but I'm gonna tell you what I see, right?
Yes, you did.
Look, Malik. I was just talking about you. I said I don't like to tell people to sell. I just try to tell them what I see because I know that I can have an influence. But when I saw that low put in and we had that inverse head and shoulders down there, I said, oh, it's about to be cook season. And Justin was like, I'm long. I was like, damn. Yep, they're tapping settlement right now. But remember, I told you guys I wanted to see a tap. I wanted to see this high swept at 556. Yeah,
I wouldn't mind seeing the push heavy either. Yeah, we're above VWAP.
Yeah, the shorts are done. The shorts are done, guys. Them things are gone. The day that I tried to well, actually, I shouldn't say that they're done. They're done in this narrative, right? We're headed toward that 90-minute supply where all of this started, right?
Yes.
And if they can't get above 607, then we could just be short. Bulls could just be running back into a trap. But for now, up until about 574 to 600, I would not be looking to short this market.
Yeah. No, I'm now just gonna wait until we get up to the supply zone and see if I can't catch a short up there. Because, like you said, the overall narrative is still to the downside. Like, yeah, we're moving up, but the market's got to move up to find more sellers. So, and then I just want to note if you mark 59375 on your chart, that was a double top. So you might be looking to come back up there, sweep that, and then come back down. I like that area to look for a potential short. So
yeah.
It's like supply within supply. So we'll see. But yeah, really nice long. Also, we can also look for longs if we come back down into 541 to 526. Would not be a bad area. I'm gonna mark it because that's swing 1 and 2. Yeah, that's swing 2. So yeah, wouldn't be a bad area to look to try to get back into price.
Oh, you said 541.
Yeah, just that 1 minute. That 1 minute swing from 543 down to 526. We just had a really nice swing there. So if we come back down, that's where I'd be looking to get back in.
I like
very beautiful.
Michelle, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You are on your way. On your way, girl. You on your way.
Here we come.
Yeah, I want to see us come a little bit lower than that. Yeah, I want to see us stab all the way down to 22. That's where I want to trade.
Oh, you're doing the overall swing.
Mm-hmm. That's because you're long right now.
That's not a bad area either.
Yeah, I'm looking at this as that first skedaddle out of here. Came back. Well, actually, this was the first skedaddle out, and then we came back down. I think we come down a little further here. That was a nice little doji candle right at that supply, that previous supply at 559, roughly about 63. I think we come all the way back down to 22. We
look at the tape. We might actually hold here. You see all that buying that we got right here, and then the consolidation before we pushed. This might be the area where we look to hold. I don't want to trade this, but I want to data collect this though, just because we haven't pulled back far enough. But this area might be where we push off. You see that on the tape?
Yeah, and that's the retest of this high, right?
Oh yeah, it is the retest of the previous high. Yep. So this area might be the area we pull back to before we move on forward. Let's see. See if I can get something here. This is a pretty small risk. I might actually look to take this if we start to see some buying, but nope, we don't. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I was like,
that's fine. All right. Yep. That's cool. That area didn't work.
Yeah. See, now they got everybody chasing the longs, and we just reverted back to bearish character. This is where I always get cooked right here. When I take most of my losses, it's because I'm chasing what just took place.
Yeah, we haven't broken that low yet though.
No, I still think we're in bullish overall character, but the character just flipped bearish on this particular side, right? Oh, no. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the 15 second. Yes. On the 1 minute, we haven't flipped yet. We got to break through 26.
Yep. And honestly, I wouldn't mind us coming down to where is this? I hate how my box goes away on here. Here we go. There's like a little 1 minute demand zone down there at 50 30, 530, 531. We went back down there, retesting that. My magnet turned off. No, it didn't.
Oh.
All right. What do you want to do, market?
Yeah, it wants to stab into 22.
Yeah. We just got that nice push into 22.
No, we're not in 22 yet. We're at 38.
Oh, sorry. Well, that was 50% of my box. My bad.
Yes, that was a 50% of the 35. But still not finding more buyers. We're still continuing to sell off.
Yeah, more sellers coming to the market.
Bless you.
Thank you. All right, we're tapping into that 1 minute demand. Let's see what we do here. We break this and we've officially flished. Thanks, Michelle. getting some buying, getting some buying, getting some buying. It's a really high volume 1 minute candle we just got right there.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm still looking at this bearishly right now. Much I know it's not the popular opinion. I think that the market still wants to sell down.
We're holding where this seller got filled though at a 353. It's acting as support right now.
Yeah.
I just don't want to see this. If I'm gonna long this market, I want to see us come back down and retest that guy one more time after this volume comes out, and I'll look to get long. I'd like to see this candle close bullish, which it looks like we're going to get. And then I just want to see one more stab down at about like 3.535. If we get that, I'll look to take the market long. If not, then I'll just let this trade pass. It's fine. Yeah, looks like we might not get it. It's okay. Yeah. Be out of there.
Yeah, this thing's going.
Yeah, that 1 minute, that 1 minute demand held really nice. We broke above, came back up, retest. Yeah, really nice.
Ooh.
Okay, sellers.
Ooh. Ooh. That's what I'm saying,
okay,
man.
sellers.
I'm looking at this thing still like this, bro. Look, let me show you on my screen. Right? This is how I'm looking at this right now. Like, this is what I'm looking at right here. This area right here, right? The red. I'm gonna paint this box red. Right? I understand the bullishness that's happening beneath this, but these bears ain't left yet, right? So if we just look to the left, right? I know what's happening to the right now, but we're trying to flip the right side. And we're coming, this selling is coming from a very aggressive sell-off. This left side broke structure. We're tapping right back into the 50%. That was a retest of the previous day low and an aggressive failure. So just be careful if you're trying to chase these longs, man. I'm telling you, they showed you the longs, but the longs did not follow through with a new high. Therefore, the market may be looking to gobble up everybody that got long. Remember all of those buyers? Yeah, remember all of those buyers that were buying down there? They're potentially about to be put underwater. And when that happens, this market's going to slide down. Ooh. Like slide down.
Yeah, that was also a tap in the 2 hour supply too. If you marked the 2 hour, which I didn't, I saw. I should have just marked it anyway. But yeah, that was a tap in the 2 hour supply.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know.
That nice reversal candle too.
Bears got some work. Bulls got some work to do this morning, guys. If this market's gonna go, they got some work to do this morning. And the VIX is slowly starting to warm up here. We're tapping into that 22 right here. This is where I was expecting price to hold right here. So let's see if we hold.
Look at these bears.
I'm gonna try a long right here.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna try a long right here.
Here they go.
See what happens here.
That defense was mean.
There we go. Days at school. Okay, baby. Thank you. See if we're early to this party or are we right on time. 22 is my level to potentially look for longs. Let's see if we hold. We got to get through. Jeez, we got to get above 38 in order for this market to look potentially bullish here. Go back bullish rather.
That's a nice tap at the 50% right there.
Yeah, it was right on time. I like it, but I don't like how we're kind of pitter-paddling our feet here. Like, I want us to go. Get up there, girl. Yo, Jimmy.
Oh my God. Please don't start this.
Jimmy. All right, I'm gonna start deleveraging here because I don't like what I'm seeing. I'm sorry, that's my cell phone. I turned the volume off. Let me turn it back off. Yeah, I'm gonna deleverage, lock in about $100 just because, yeah, we're looking really, really bearish at the high. So just secure that
money
quick.
Ain't looking too long today.
That quick tap.
Jimmy's money ain't looking too long today, Hobbs. Jimmy money looking a little bit short.
Today's lesson is supposed to be about taking shorts. And what am I doing over here? Laying long this market. Yeah, we're starting to trend down, right? So
yeah, we are.
Let's see if we hold this low.
Jimmy got that short money.
Nah, I think we're about to send again. Damn it! I should have just held it. Come down one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to this one. I think this is a good one. Come on, Jimmy. Jimmy. Ah, no, I let it go. I let it off the hook. All right, I'm not gonna chase it down. We're kind of beyond where I wanted to get long, but the idea was after we saw this aggressive bullish candle here, I wanted to get long, but I started to see us reject right here, which makes me nervous to the opposite side. So I really like us holding here after this break of structure, but I also understand that we broke here after this break of structure. So we're kind of in scalp territory for the longs because the narrative is bearish right now to the downside, right? But this green box is where I should be looking to long the market. The red box is where I should be looking to short the market. I think shorts are much more stronger than the longs right now, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'm just gonna be a little patient here.
Yeah, I just don't. I would assume that where we are is probably that point of control again, right? Because
Yeah,
when we come to point of control or VWAP, we get really, really choppy, right? And it's not where I like to trade because I feel like I'm in a washer machine, right? Like I would rather trade at the extremes, which is right here. But it looks like our entry on that long would have been spot on. So that was that level, Jay. That was that 22. It just. No, I'm saying my I took it long on the stream, but not on like
21,
on the paper trade.
Do something for me. To the ops next for me. 21. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing, 21. Okay. Never mind.
Bro,
just me.
You sound.
He said he got long at 21. 21.
You sound so not gangster.
I wasn't trying to sound gangster.
I wasn't trying to sound gangster.
Oh man, bro. Oh, I missed it. Good long. Good.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was 21, bro. 21, 22. That's what I was saying. Like, you see it now though? You see that previous high, previous low?
No, yeah, no, I saw that
right into it.
But also
let him off the hook.
But look, put a box at the 947 candle from wick to wick. Because that's what I was looking at, but I just forgot to extend my box.
947?
No, yes, 947 candle. Put a box from wick to wick.
Oh yeah, we tap into that low, that previous high, right?
Yep.
We tapped into that. If you put a box on the top of the wick at 940.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I had that too.
At 948. And then you put that. I have that center line in my box.
Mm-hmm.
So like,
yeah,
the center line, which ended up being the previous high test, and we owned it. I let it off the hook because I was afraid of these shorts up here, which again I think it's reason to be fearful up here. Facts. So it's all good. We locked in $90 real quick on 3 minis. But again, the Bears just look much stronger than the Bulls, in my opinion. So,
yeah, looks like we're defending this that previous high we just made right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this selling is aggressive. This is the selling that
Mhm.
I want to see right here. Okay.
I'm just waiting for it to break. Once it breaks in the New York session, then I'll know what the market's trying to do. Right now, like I don't want to take any trades in this. I'll wait till 10:30, 10:50. Whichever way we break, it's going to be a nice move, or maybe it won't. But right now we're in consolidation, and I don't do well trading this because I'll see it multiple different ways, right? And I like when the market's ready to break out, and that's what I'm waiting on, is the market to actually break out one way or the other. And I think it's going to be to the bearish side, to be honest with you. It's just the VIX that, to me, it worries me that the VIX, in order for me to believe that we're going to break bearish, the VIX should start to get warmed up, and it's just not. It's literally stuck at 40. So this just could just be accumulation to potentially go, I don't know which way. I don't know. I don't like this area for trading right here. I understand it, but I don't like to put trades on in this area.
On top of that, Nvidia is still rallying.
Yeah,
but the rest of the market's dumping though.
Yeah, it's crazy. The Dow is dumping, like everything's dumping, but NQs and ES are just sitting here. I think the market wants down. I told you, I think the market was down, man. Like I think that they know everybody wants to be bullish today, right? And all they got to do is show us just a little bit of bullishness, and we're like, fuck them bears. You know what I mean? And meanwhile, they just keep pulling the rug on us. I'm glad I'm not trading today. I'm glad. Good job, brother. Good job. Yeah. When it's a day to get short, hey, Malik be on it, bro. On it. He like, oh, we selling? All right, give me a second. Be right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. Man, it's just so uncomfortable because these buyers, they just come in with so much strength, bro. Like when they come back, they come in with so much freaking strength that it's so uncomfortable to be in a sell side position, man. That's the only reason why I don't like it. I know what I'm seeing. I know the market's telling me it's trying to sell off. I'm just like, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Therefore, I just sit and I just wait. Show me the breakdown one more time. I just need to see it one more time. Let me see it.
Show me the money.
Motherfucking Apex. Yeah, bro. That's the one thing I gotta prepare my mental for. Like when I was starting to think about it, I was like, oh my God, my fund is on Apex. Yeah, my fund is on Apex about to drive me crazy because that freaking drawdown. But I was happy that I'm about to be trading my Top Step funded because those things can allow me to go to break even, and I don't have to trip about being at break even.
Yep.
They keep looking juicy, but they keep getting absorbed every single time.
Yeah, we're bouncing off the 50. Bouncing off the 50.
And we still haven't broke that low.
I think we're about to. I think we're about to.
I'm not fading these bears, bro. I just want the VIX to participate. VIX, wake up, do something, VIX. Okay, 47 on the VIX. There she goes. There she goes. Come on, VIX. Come on, VIX.
Let's see.
It makes me feel like the market still wants to be bullish, just not right here. Like I feel like we're accumulating so we can go back down and retest one of these bigger, higher time frame zones, and then we'll become bullish. But right now, like I'm just not a fan of this price action right here. So I'll just wait.
Yeah.
And I'd much rather be a bull than a bear. But if the market's going to continue to sell off, so be it.
Ooh.
There she goes. There she goes. Eat, Malik. Eat, baby. Eat. King of the motherfucking bears, baby. King of the bears. The Bear King has spoken. He said, F y'all freaking longs. Let's go. Let's go, Malik. Good job, bro. Good job,
Yeah,
sir.
we just filled a bid there. There's another bid below us. Let's see what we do with this bid. This guy.
All right.
We're back in that demand area.
This box is slowly turning red, bruh. Slowly turning red, bruh. They bleeding them out. They bleeding them out. Johnny. Susie from sales is about to make her quota. Yeah, that don't matter. That what matters is that it's still coming down though. Right? Because the buying is still happening. It's just being overpowered by the amount of selling. See? Yeah, this shit going up again. Yeah, this might be a double bottom, bro. What is happening right now? This consolidation is not for me. Not for me, sir. Logan the fuck out of this.
Oh,
here
my
they come.
God.
Here they come. Yeah. Here they come. These motherfuckers, I'm telling you, bro, these bulls is not to be toyed with, bro. They like, man, keep fucking around and find it out. Damn, this is crazy, bro. Every time we come down to this low, bro, it's over with.
Mm-hmm.
Justin already long, y'all.
No, I'm not. I didn't get enough confirmation just because of the way that we came down here. I like, but I wanted one more tap. I'm with Valdez. I need one more pullback in this area to hold. Just need to figure out where I want it to hold. I'm thinking like 512 is where I'm looking for to retest.
He said, I don't think we're gonna get it. I just
it'll come back.
Against hope.
It'll come back down. We'll come back. Because technically we're still in this downtrend. So
yep. And every time we tap that high,
I gotta see us put in a higher low.
I can't hear you, Malik. What'd you say? So you mean solidarity? We're not against you. We reading price, baby. We reading price, baby. I'm just telling you what these. It's reading price. I'm telling you what these bulls doing at this low, bro. And like the more they come down to this low and they defend, the stronger they get. Stronger they get, and the stronger they get.
50% tap right here, though.
Yeah, the stronger they get, bro. Like you already know we in a bull market, so if they get strong enough, they gonna send this shit. Yeah, it's not gonna be no question. It's not gonna be no question what type of market we in. So, but they haven't broken above a high yet. So if they break above a high, I think they'll send it. But if they don't break above a high, like I don't think they're gonna do anything. So
yeah, it's still good to be a bear up here.
Yeah, until we get above that previous high of 546, Bears still got it. But the Bulls looking strong. Super strong. You don't know. Hey, I'm just reading the tape, bro. Look at all this. Look at all the buying that's coming in. I'm just reading the reaction. But the Bulls just have to. The Bears just have to hold the high, right? If the Bears can hold the high, then they'll take out the Bulls and they'll try to take that low. But this is a very pivotal area. Case in point, pivot point, right?
Woo.
This is a very pivotal area for the market right here for the Bulls. Yeah, if they want to take over, they need to do it here. If not, then we're gonna start trading much lower. But I think the Bulls are gonna take over here. We just need to get that continuation above the high. We can't get that continuation above the high. The Bulls are gonna be done too. So. And there you go. You keep getting ticked out right at the supply zone, right? So your stop needs to be behind the high, right? If you believe in the trade, yeah, I feel you. You ain't trying to get nothing back. I feel you. If you believe in like, no, that's okay, man. You trading cautiously because you trading with your real money, which is understandable. But I think these bulls trying to take this shit over. They just needed one more pullback. Here's your pullback right here, Valdez, potentially. We're just all week we've been getting these explosive ass moves, right? And I think all of us are like in shock that the explosive moves just aren't coming right now. Instead, we're getting this ridiculous chop, right? Before we eventually get that one explosive move. Like I said, it's just not an area that interests me in regards to what I would like to do. Not yet. Maybe if we get a sweep of the low or a sweep of the high, I'm interested. But right now, this just feels like massive consolidation. Like it's almost, was it 10:30 on the East Coast? We ain't gone nowhere.
Yeah, it's 10:30.
We ain't gone nowhere, man. We in a small ass range, which is fine. Like whatever. We're in a 65-point range on NQ. So I'll just wait. Even on a paper trade, I'll wait. Like we're staying in the same area. Man, didn't hold. Yeah, it was tough to hold, man. This is a tough area to hold. Like I said, we're holding. Basically, if I turned on this session volume profile, I guarantee we're sitting right at the point of control, guys. Right? Like
they were below it. Barely.
Or near it, though, right?
Yeah, we're barely below it.
You know what I'm saying? Like we're probably sitting right next to it. I'm gonna turn it on right here so you guys can see. It's not coming on. Let me go to the 5 minute or the 15.
You gotta scroll out a little bit. That's all.
Let me go to the 15 minute. It's loading now.
There it goes.
There it goes. Yeah, see, we just keep coming up and rejecting the POC, right? Which means that if we can't get above the POC, that means that the high volume area is rejecting price, right? That means that the volume that's super high up here is being negatively rejected, which means that this is distribution volume, not accumulation volume, right? And if it's distribution volume, you should be looking to short the market. However, we're in a balanced area where you could do both, right? Because at the low, this is accumulation volume, right? So people are looking to buy at the low and sell at the high. You just need to understand that the range you're playing in is a roughly 50-point range, right? If you understand that and you're okay with that and you can take trades successfully in there, I think by all means take trades in there. Or you could decide which side you want to be a part of and look to long at the low and just stay long, right? Or look to short at the high and just stay high, or just stay short until we break. Me, I like to trade at the extreme. So I want to see this thing completely dump, right? Whether it takes 2-3 hours, whatever, it doesn't matter. I want to see this thing completely dump or completely pump so that I'm pretty sure where we're trying to trade at, right? Or come to an extreme. Right now, on the higher time frames, 90-minute supply is an extreme and 30-minute demand is an extreme for me. So if we come to either one of these, I'm going to be looking to long or short, right? If we continue to trade down, then I'm still going to be looking for longs because I don't like the bearish behavior. I tried, man. I'm trying to practice being a bear. I can't freaking do it, okay? It's just a flaw that I have. When the market turns bearish, I'll look to be a bear. Right now, I just don't feel comfortable in shorts. Like I just don't. I don't know what it is about me. So it's my thoughts process.
Beautiful short though. Could have taken it up at 532. But not short.
Yeah, 532 was nice. But again, your plan has to be to get out at 510 or the break of, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just hard to get short on swing number 4.
Yeah, and the swings are so tiny. Like these swings are freaking small, bro. like that, which tells me that it's even harder. It's getting harder for price to try and sell off.
Yeah,
because the swings are so small, which just doesn't make me feel like the market truly wants to sell off.
Yeah, Valdez, this is like your double bottom coming in right now. Potentially. I kind of want to see this sweep, this liquidity at 508 though. Well, if we
I know, man. I want to fight it so bad, bro. Like,
I mean, I just haven't got the indication yet to be bullish. Wait. Here we go. Here comes some more strong selling. I just want to see some trap sellers because it took us so long to get down here. Like, to Hobbs' point, look at how quick we bought the market back up, and then look how long it took to sell it back down, which would tell me that there's just been buyers filling their positions all the way down. So at some point, a big buyer will come.
They're gonna come in.
He'll end up buying it.
I just want a liquidity sweep inside of my 30-minute demand zone. If we can get that, then I'll look to long the market around 485, somewhere around there. Here's a nice little liquidity sweep. Let's see if bulls step in.
So that guy got filled down here at 09, and then they immediately put another bid in the market at 07. So let's see. What I want to see is either this guy get filled or him to start moving his bid up. That'd be great. If he can start moving his bid up with price, then that'll make me feel a lot better because this is a static bid. But he's looking to get filled down here. So let's see what he does. He could be looking to fill a position.
So this green box here, guys, this is the swing high and the swing low. Right here, if you're watching me on YouTube, Discord family, I'm breaking down where I would be looking to trade longs down here, just because this is the swing high and swing low that brought us that new high, right? So if we're gonna bounce, we're probably gonna bounce right here.
Getting some buying coming out of here, and we got 201 people watching the stream between X and YouTube.
Let's get it.
200. So now I'm gonna, while I'm waiting for this to potentially play out, I'm gonna give my plea yet again. If you have not subscribed and you're over on X, please, please. Beggars can't be choosers, but I'm choosing to beg. Come over to YouTube and just hit that subscribe button if you like the content. If you don't like the content, then you just hate us, I guess, and you're just watching just to watch. But please support your boys.
They like to see you big like Larry.
Okay. We're about to cancel you. You're about to get canceled, sir.
No aggressive buying has hit this bid yet, but I do like the fact that we started buying after that liquidity sweep. I would just look for a retest of this area, right? Because this is exactly what I would like to see I want to see an aggressive seller come in here and get trapped is what I want to see.
Yeah. On top of that, what we could be seeing right now, which I would really like, is those buyers that got filled at between 945 and 950, right? Those buyers got filled, the market took off. Now we're retesting the same area again, potentially to fill more of their orders before they try to take this thing all the way back up to, wherever they're trying to bring the market to. So yeah, that's why I'm looking to get long here. Looks like we're going to come down and fill this buyer up down here at 507. There he goes. He got filled right there. So let's see what happens after that. Looks like there's another buyer looking to get filled at 500, which is the psychological whole number. But now that we got that guy filled, I want to see us break above 509 potentially, come back down, and then hold that level, because that's where another buyer got filled. So as we keep coming down and filling new buyers into this market, or potentially people who are trying to get out of their sell positions, I want to see those new buyers defend their new position and then bring the market higher. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm just I keep extending my box over.
Just put that 30-minute box on and stretch it across. Look on the 30-minute. You'll see a nice demand zone right there. Or just a 30-minute.
Oh, you're talking
basically,
about yeah, I see the 30-minute.
Basically, the low. If you look at my screen, I have it marked out already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I see exactly.
All right, we're rounding price up right here. Rounding in the troops here.
Looks like we're gonna go. Are we gonna hold this guy? Yeah, I think somebody's filling their orders down here. We might sweep one time. I'm hoping that we sweep 502, pick him up, and then go, and then get above. If we can get above 508, come back down, retest that guy. Get above 510, come back down, retest that guy. It'll be perfect. But this consolidation's looking very, very bullish right now.
I'm try a little long on this pick or trade. Risk the lows here. Maybe we get one more sweep, but I'm gonna risk the lows. See what happens. Nice little early entry here. Looking for a push right back in the previous day low here.
All right, we're above that guy. Let's see if this gives me what I want. We're holding this level nicely. Still holding this level. All right, I'm in long. Stop below the low. I got in at 12.
Bro, you can't be beating me. You can't be beating my entry live on stream, bro. I got in at 11 on my paper trade. I got in at 11 on my paper trade.
you only got me barely.
Yeah.
Let's see. We're pulling back down. Just want to see this guy hold at 10.
The only thing that worries me is we haven't got an aggressive liquidity sweep yet, but we did sweep a bunch of times at those lows where even though we didn't get that aggressive sweep, we swept a bunch of time at the low that made me feel comfortable enough to put the trade on. As far as structure, we haven't broken above a high yet, but we look ready to take the high. So we'll see.
Yeah, if we start to dig back down, yeesh.
Maybe we get that liquidity sweep and I'll look to re-enter if we dig. But if we hold here, we'll put a higher low in and keep going.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, yeah, this should be good. This should be good.
Now we just need to put liquidity orders underneath us and start moving them higher.
They're starting to move up a little bit.
We just got to break the high, and you need more aggressive buying to come in. That's all.
Yeah, that guy down there at 7 defended perfectly. Yeah, now we just need to break above. We'll be good.
Yep.
And let's see. Be nice if we can get to that high. I'll get all out there. I'm cool with that. All right, now we just gotta take out the high at 19.
Yeah, I want to see more aggressive buying. I'm just not seeing it. This is why I'm glad I paper traded, because I know, look, I know I would have been doing this same thing all day. I kind of want to give the stop the ultimate low, but if you're wrong, I want to be wrong at this low here. I'll give it this low here. I would rather see a sweep, but I think we might hold this, man. We just keep rejecting that freaking high up there every single time. More accumulation at the low. No high has been taken. Yeah, I'm glad I took a mental break today. This price action would have driven me crazy today. What it do, shop fam? What's going on, Yvonne? Are we selling everything or bears weak? I don't know, man. They looking kind of weak at these lows, bro. They looking kind of weak at these lows. So if we can get them to step the F up, then we'll get what we want out of this long.
Yeah, I would love to see them start to push up, but they're struggling.
It's last chance for these bulls, I tell you that much.
Well, we just filled more orders down there. Well, we didn't fill more orders, but we absorbed more sellers down there. That's the third hold of that area, which I really like. So hopefully we can now start to push and get some strong buying up out of here. But, you know, we'll see. These buyers, they just cannot. Come on, push us out.
The VIX is getting stronger, man.
To the downside?
No.
Oh, yeah. He said no. But Nvidia looks like it's flagging though, and Amazon's rallying, and so is Apple.
Amazon been rallying all day too. I just don't understand what the heck the market's waiting on. What time is it? 50? Yeah, we got 2 more minutes. Let's see what the market wants to do up here.
Yeah,
2
Apple's
more
just kind of
minutes.
struggling. Oh, we're starting to push. It's
There we
looking good,
go.
fellas.
Is it 50 yet? Is it 50 yet? It's not. It's 10 50, baby. Come on. Do something strange for a little piece of change, market. Come on.
Okay, Hobbs. You
I
act
said
like
market.
you're not gonna hear this.
I said market. What do you mean?
No, bro. Stop.
Y'all need to chill. Y'all need to chill. He said, okay, Hobbs. I said the market need to do something strange for a little piece of change.
Stop.
Man. I hate y'all so much.
10 seconds. Got to close up here. Got to close up at this high and not get rejected. These Bulls got a job to do. 3 seconds. Come on, Bulls. Don't let it go, Bulls. All right. Good close. Good close. Good close.
Oh, my God. Don't give it right back. Just freaking go. They're giving it all right back. Watch. Freaking.
It's all right. We should expect a pullback. We should kind of expect a pullback, though.
Nah, new 5, though. Yeah, no, it should be a new 15. It should be new 5 and 15.
Yeah, no, the 5 doesn't, the 15 doesn't close for another 9 minutes.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, he said.
Nah, this 15-minute candle doesn't look great. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Yeah, and the VIX continues to push, man. The VIX continues to push. I'm gonna go ahead and close my trade here. Well, not close it. I'm gonna go to break even. Lock in a. Dang, I was trying to lock in 100. Yeah.
Yes.
I did not like the VIX, and everything was telling me like, get out, man, get out. I was like, yo, I do not like what the VIX is doing right now. As long as the VIX was creeping, I said, man, let me go ahead and lock in profit because I don't like this at all. Even if,
the VIX,
bro, I've been saying it this whole time. The VIX is at 1460 right now. Word on the street, my man Hobbs in trader jail, not trading today. I'm not. I'm paper trading. Everything I'm doing right now is no risk. Word on the street, y'all stupid. The streets is talking, bro. The streets, y'all ain't talking. Y'all ain't yapping.
All right, I'm
1050, baby. Sell everything. We are moving to China.
Yeah, I just closed my position as well.
Yeah, I had to close. I didn't like what I was seeing, and I wanted to practice what I'm preaching. I like longs as long as we can stay above this area, but I mean, it's aggressive as we're coming down. As hard as the bulls are working to get it up, pause, right? It's just, I don't know. This is the sweep that I want to see, but I want to see if this thing holds and bring in new buyers. What we're not getting is new aggressive buyers, right?
Yeah, I'm not long in this market. I'll try one more long, but it's gonna be in demand.
Exactly my thesis. Like, I want to just come down to 485, or this sweep right here could be the long, but I'm just not gonna long it until we break above some type of structure again. Once we change character, then I'll look to get long, because I think the long should come in, but I just keep getting cooked by the early entry, right? So I'm just gonna wait until I'm not getting cooked. I haven't lost, but I want to see us get above this high at 24, and then I'll look to long it. And then for the bearish case, the bears, I mean, what's his name? Malik's been killing this thing all day because he's just playing. He's not fighting the structure. We're playing against the structure because we believe in the bullish case, which I think is a good belief here, right? Looking at the tape, I think the bulls are not in control yet, but they're looking to take control. But I'm going to stop trying to anticipate them taking control, right? Once we come down to 485.75 or lower, that's where I think the next new buyers could step in, because these buyers haven't been tested since FOMC, right? All of this crap that's going on right here, I'm just gonna fade the rest of that. Like, let these bulls take over, let them do their thing. It's like Avengers. He's like, let him have their fun. Let him have his fun. When he was beating up on the Hulk. Nobody remember that? Okay, fine.
No,
I'll be on an island by myself. Fine, guys.
I remember.
See, all of this aggressive buying that keeps coming in, it's not moving price above the high. So even though I'm seeing the aggressive buying on the tape, I need to see us get above the high, right? If we can't get above the high, that aggressive buying is being absorbed. It's the same thing that we would see at the low, right? We see all this aggressive selling at the low, but it's not moving price lower. We're getting the same effect at the high. So take note of that and switch your thesis, right? Until the high is broken. This is the previous high. We're going to continue to remain bearish until this high is broken. So I'm just going to eliminate the early entry thesis out of my brain, right? And either look to short or wait until we change character and look to get long. The problem is go ahead, brother.
I think we might have longed the left shoulder right there, which it's funny because my stop would have withstood it. I do think this could be the reversal, but I'm with you on letting this break that high first, because I think that might have been the left shoulder that we just caught. Just looking at the tape.
Well, I think you long the left shoulder at 946. I don't think the head has been put in yet. I think the shoulder, because the shoulder still takes a high, right?
I just meant this little mini trend we have going on right now.
Okay, I got you. No, I think this trend is still bearish until we put in a new high, or if we sweep. If we get a liquidity sweep that's a failure, then I'm all over this thing. But until that happens, like, I'm just gonna hang out.
Huh. Okay, so that was interesting. A guy just brought his orders down, so a big seller just got out the market right there. So that's this area just getting very interesting to me.
Oh, I think it's the long area for sure. I think it's the area to get long for sure. 51% of people is probably long on NQ right now. On whatchamacallit. on Top
Step X.
Yeah, they probably 50-50 right now on Top Step X. then again, they probably short-minded right now, percentage-wise. They're probably short-minded.
Well, the other thing, like you said, that last swing we just got, if this is the end of the swing, that was a very, very small swing down.
Yep. Yeah, I think the longs are here. We just got swept out by this little. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. You're saying that this was the shoulder that took this high, but it just didn't take this high yet. So it didn't fully close above the high. So
no, so I think that was all one. Like I'm looking here, I'll show you what I'm looking at right now on my stream. So I'm looking at this as all one swing right here. From here all the way down was all one swing. Because this candle never, this high candle never took out this candle right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking at this like this is the shoulder, and then we just broke down. This is the head. We come up,
that makes
come down
sense.
one more time, and then we go. So I think we might have just got in on this right here, thinking that this was the high, but really this is the high we wanted to see break. So now. This is the new high. This is the new low.
Yeah, this is
now
the
new. To see that high break.
This is the initial swing high, swing low to begin the uptrend.
Yeah, potentially.
That's crazy. Oh my god, that just made so much more sense right there.
Yeah.
When we do the inverse head and shoulder, that top and then the head, that basically is the new swing beginning, right? Because that has to be the initial swing change. And now we have to, in order to swing to continue. Oh my god, that just makes so much more sense. This is basically the start line of the oh my god, that just made a lot of sense. This is basically the go ahead.
No, go ahead, sir. You can say.
No, I was just gonna say this is the start line, right? Like this high, this low, the new high and the new low, this begins the race, right? To back to the upside. That's all I was gonna say.
Yeah. So we just need to take out this guy. Like we could get the early entry, and I mean I stopped myself out because I put my stop all the way at the low at 44.99 just because I saw all of the consolidation. I knew we might sweep one more time, but I was like, I don't really have to sit through. I can take a small loss and just allow this thing to pull up and then come back down.
That's why I locked in. I said, I'm gonna lock in some profit here, and then if this thing does break out or it sweeps me, I don't lose anything. And then if it breaks out, then I'll be looking to play the retest, right?
Yeah.
Just because I didn't like the fact that the Bulls weren't getting aggressive. Like they're coming out of here, but they're not being aggressive, and that's what worries me is from a bullish perspective. See, because we would have got that early entry again, and guess what? Expecting a break of the high, we'd be uncomfortable again right here.
Yeah.
And that's why I was like, okay, let me just eliminate that thesis right now because I think the Bulls come in, but that's just my thoughts, right? What I'm actually seeing is something totally different.
We're doing
double dare me in Q to come 500. Then go ham. Yeah, I want 485. That's what I want. But I'm not opposed to potentially getting long here. I just think that the market should sweep that demand zone down there that's on Justin's chart, right? And I think we can compare it to whatever ES is doing. Let's see where ES is at in regards to its demand zone. Because a lot of times we'll be pausing right here because ES is already at its demand zone. So let me look at
ES is working its way down.
I don't know.
For my key level, it's still 3 points away. But we're starting to see some buying up here at these highs. It might get shut down here. We'll see.
Yeah, ES is about 3 points away. Yeah, that's what I got it to. I want to see it break. I don't care how much buying comes in because there we go. There we go. Huh?
Oh Lord.
It's just an op. Yeah, yes.
No.
He didn't even put a no option.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. I just voted no.
How? There is no. There's a
maybe.
That's
just 100%.
This is a speed reader.
I voted myself.
You don't read nothing. He reads nothing, bro.
Damn it! I just said I thought the yes, so I just assumed the next one.
He said there is a no option. No,
I just assumed the next one was no.
Yes, There's 100% and a maybe.
Remove my vote then. Remove my
Nah,
vote.
man, don't remove nothing.
I removed it. The answer is no.
Justin said no. I did vote no. No, you didn't.
I could have sworn I voted no.
That's hilarious. See, and again, that aggressive buyer hit the tape, and look what happened. He got shut down again. We're holding the low, and I like everything about the area, but I need to see price get pushed out of this area, right? Because if we push out of here, it should be aggressive, and I'm okay with missing that initial push out of here to get the pullback, right? But I'm not okay with taking a bunch of paper cuts in this area, right? Because what'll happen is I won't put my stop big enough, and I'll miss this early entry. I'll miss the early entry because my stop isn't wide enough, right? And I'm not willing to give it a wide enough stop because if I get stopped out, I'll be pissed that I didn't just wait for the break of structure. So now that I understand we're taking off, now I'm good with it, right? Now I understand where I need to trade. That I'm okay with. Good call though, Jay. Yeah, now we look better. Now we look definitive. And now we're about to come and take all of those swings to the downside. All of those swings are in trouble.
Yeah, it sucks because our thesis was 100% right. What we read was 100% right. My stop was even 100% right. But, it's all good. I'm not tripping because we will come back. So.
Oh, well, we will come back. I'm okay with seeing this. This is definitive. I just want to see it take the high. Just take the freaking high and then come back. That's it. Like, I'm just over the consolidation. That's all.
This is the low. All right, so let's look and see if we can get a tap back into 12. Yeah, we're all this. Okay, yeah. Let me take this off the screen.
See, that swing high and that swing low ended up holding. My thesis was correct. Everything was correct, except I cut the trade for profit, and I should have just held it for a stop below this 500 low. Damn, this thing is sending.
Yeah, that's where I had mine. I had mine at the 500 low.
I had 500 low, and I cut it for a small win. Trusting the thesis is way more important, right? So,
hey, let's go, Michelle. Oh my God.
Michelle said, I didn't cut. No. I held. Let's go, Michelle.
Good job,
and her stop was perfect. Yes, sir. Let's go, Michelle. Is that 2 micros?
Yes.
Let's go. Trading like you would trade in real life. I freaking girl. Your husband is about to be a happy man. Y'all about to be paid. This girl is balling. I love it.
All right. I'm looking for a pullback between 522 and 515, which also kind of it's a little bit higher than the 512, but
I like that. I like that you didn't go straight for the 50%. You went for that box. You know what I mean? Like you're calling out that whole box. Like, nah, if it comes in this area, I be stricken by that 50%, but I think I like that idea as well, because that's how I trade demand zones, right? Like I don't say I want the exact center of the demand zone. I'd be like, this area is where I'm interested in longing the market.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I like that idea. Yeah, and this is how Carmine would set this trade up too now. Because now he would be ready to trade 100%.
Yeah, where all that buying just came in at the beginning.
That's where I want.
Should see them hold on a retest.
Yep.
Of that area. So we'll just look.
Michelle, risking $40 to make freaking 100 is crazy. He'll never have to take another cold shower because I'd be turning off the water heater. Wow. You're wild. You're wild. I love it though. I love it.
Wild child. Man, we called that bottom though. We had that. We had that bottom.
We had it dead to rights. We just didn't hold it. We had it dead to rights. We just didn't hold it. That would have been oh God, I don't even want to talk about what for the size that I was in on the paper trade. That thing was gonna send. And we had everybody had killer entries too. I was at 511. All I had to do was risk 10 points.
I was at 512, I think.
Like my risk could have just been 10 points and I'd been fine. That was more of a mechanical error than anything.
So
yeah, moonbound. Yeah, we're definitely moonbound. I'm just not gonna long it all the way back up here. I'll definitely wait till we come back down. Yeah, I'll wait till we come back down. Oh yeah, yeah. Now I gotta sit and wait, right? Sit and watch the market when I could have took one trade and been out of here. Like, all right, see you. I'm gone. I love that, Michelle. Make sure you go cut the bills however you can. Yeah, I got to cut the bills. Hey, I see it. I see it. Just make sure when you get into the combine, you trade the same size. Don't get thrown into the idea that you need to size up. Like that $40 to $100, that shit add up quick.
Mm-hmm.
If you're being consistent, that $100, $200, I'm telling you, it'll add up super quick, and you don't get stressed out by the risk, right? Like I don't mind trading 2 micros to start my day, right? Especially if I'd have been trading in this. Oh, it's 2 micros all day long. Because even if I lose, like it doesn't send me on tilt. If I win, I'm just tacking it on. As soon as I get over $200-$300, right, for the day in Top Step, oh, I'm a size down to 2 micros and try to pad that stat. But then once I get to 400, I'm risking a mini. At that point, I've already done the $200. That's all I need. Now it's just about taking a good trade and making sure that I can hold. I can potentially pad my stats, right? So I don't like to start the day off in the funded playing the mini, because if you're wrong, it goes south real quick. Waiting for a tap inside of 22 to 75. I mean, 22 to 02. If we don't come back, then I'm gonna just leave this box here all day, and we'll come back to it eventually, right? So now the box, the area of interest gets smaller now, right?
Yeah, we're just consolidating at these highs. It looks like there's a lot of buying going on up here. I really just want to see the pullback, but I would not be surprised if we're trapping a whole bunch of sellers right here.
Yeah, we're not giving them a chance to get out. This volume imbalance means that we're probably not going to give them a chance to get out. I would love to see them give them a chance. Here we go. Oh, no. The only thing that kind of semi is frustrating about this potential trade, right, that we didn't hold on to, even though I was in a paper trade, like the emotions are still real, right? What's frustrating is now you have to wait for all of this bullshit to happen, right? This is where people, this is where people lose the most money, because they FOMO on what they missed instead of just being patient and waiting for the next setup. We had this market dead to rights. We just were impatient, right, with our entries, or not impatient. We didn't allow ourselves to be wrong.
Here's the other thing that I want to mention why you shouldn't FOMO, because right now I definitely want, like, in my head, I want to get long, but I'm okay with not getting long, because think about this. If you miss this trade right here, I took this trade, right? But if you miss this trade, but we identified there was buying down here, and you just put a box down here, right?
It's gonna come back. Maybe it come back in the PM session, but it's gonna come back.
I mean, we already
if ands or buts about it. It's coming back.
Okay, hold on. My box is down here, but we already came back. Is my point? Is like we came back. Look, we came back. You could have longed it here for a quick little scalp. This was your first tap. This was our second tap back into the box,
and then
our
double
third
bottom.
tap. The double bottom we held and we ran.
Oh God, we missed it again. We missed it. We saw the schematic and we missed trading it again. So,
but I mean, but we did.
But we did. Hell no, you broke that.
We didn't miss it though. We didn't miss it. We were in it. We just didn't hold. But it's fine. Like, and if this thing runs, it's fine. But I still have an area where I know that if we come back to it, then buyers might want to defend. So I'll just look for them to defend. I knew there was a good possibility this thing was going to continue. Could I have longed it? I could have, but I don't have a plan for that area. I had a 15 point. I had a 12-point stop. I had a 12-point stop.
I'm with you. Off the hook.
Hey, I'm with you. I had a 15-point stop.
Wonder why? But you wonder why I say F the Bears. This is why I can't be a bear, man. Like, it's a bull market. Long the market.
Yeah, we going. We going.
Yeah, we foobarred that one. I foobarred it even on a paper trade.
It's all good. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad.
Oh no, I'm not mad at all.
All that matters is we were on the right side of the market. We read the market correctly, and we just,
And Malik, you also were on the right side of the market, sir. Good shorts, right? Like nobody's saying that you were on the wrong side of the market by saying that. Just to clarify. But yeah, good. Yeah, we were in that area. It was time to get long. It was not time for look for shorts.
Yeah. I mean, clearly we're in a range right now. We're in a range between 500 and 562. So until we break out of this range,
let's see if we can take this high. If we can take this high, I'll be even happier about this 5-minute demand zone. Then I'll just go do something else, and I'll probably whip out my funding account for the PM session. Because if we come back to this area after taking that high, ooh, I might have to size up on the funded for that one because that's money.
Yeah, oh man. Yeah, we had this thing dead to rights. That's all good though.
Yeah, that wedge was beautiful. That wedge was beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Let him off the hook. Gotta take this high though. I want to see the settlement price taken. No, I agree. I mean, maybe we build more structure right here. I mean, we're building more structure. Yeah. Well, if you look on the 5-minute, we built new structure. Nah, I'm not gonna be begging for shit. I'm not trading. But if you look though on the 5-minute, we built new structure at 537 from that rally-based rally. So 543 to about 531. So I'd be okay if this thing pushes from here and breaks that structure, and I'll look for either one of these areas to hold. I think you're right though. If we come all the way back down to this low after breaking that high, it probably means we've gone back into the range. I would love to see us come back down one more time before we take off. No, that's what I said. I just agree with you. I said I would like to see it come back down one more time before we break settlement. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Breaker blocks is just the consolidation before we push out.
Oh, is that the 1049 candle? Is that what you're talking about?
It's not just one candle, it's like an area. Mm-hmm.
Wait, what time are you talking about? Like at 10:50? Like a 10:50-ish area? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, so whole area.
It's basically the supplier demand zone, Justin. That's all it is. The swing high and the swing low. Yeah.
Okay. Exactly. I think I watched a video on the breaker block, and he basically was like, "Yeah, it's just a demand or supply zone that got broken, and then when it comes back and retest it comes back."
Yeah, consolidation is formed through. I mean, demand and supply is formed through consolidation, and then the breaker block is the name that ICT gave to it because he played with his kids, I guess, or something. I told y'all he got some strange names.
He played with his kids? What?
Well, he explained it to his kids and he used that lingo. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what Pippi was saying. Like he used certain language because that's how he he was able to teach it to his kids.
I mean, that makes sense. I don't know. I feel like if it was instead of a breaker block, I don't know where he got that from. He called it a Lego block. I feel like he called it a Lego block. You know, just for kids. Makes more sense.
Damn. Here you go, Justin.
What? Oh, it's a what?
Well, we're gonna consolidate here. Remember, we just broke a major high, right? So we're gonna consolidate here, and then what I'm hoping for. Well, I want the consolidation to be here because if we sweep the high of the consolidation, I'm anticipating a sweep of the low, right? We already swept the high actually at 553. Yeah, this is what I want. I want to sweep of this low and then maybe tap back into our box at 22.
You just want that wet turtle soup, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just want that wet turtle stuff.
That wet turtle stuff.
That wet turtle myrtle.
Get your boy.
That
Get
wet
your
turtle.
boy.
Turtle myrtle. Turtley myrtley.
I can't. I do not like Justice some days, man. Yeah, I don't understand. It's so hard to be his friend sometimes. It's like, bro. Like,
you want that wet turtley myrtley, huh? That's what you looking for, huh? That wet turtley myrtley.
Oh man. Cannot deal with this guy.
Classic. Yvonne knows. He trades that turtle soup.
Yeah, you be trading. He be rocking with that rocket ship into the turtle. You rocking with that silver piece into the turtle's backside.
Yeah, we'll take her trade. My shit. Into that turtle's backside. Oh my god.
That wet turtle, that silver bullet in the wet turtle soup.
The silver bullet that you put rocket ships in so it vibrates into the turtle soup. Yep. Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you know what I mean? You know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. And then, like he said, it's to the moon.
It's to the moon. Man, I was about to say, I really want to take this long down here because I see what's happening on the tape, but structurally, I just want to come down a little lower.
Yeah,
I bet you this is VWAP. I bet you this is VWAP because VWAP.
We're below VWAP.
Nah, we're above VWAP on the tape, but we're trying to hold VWAP on the tape. Nah, I'm not taking it, bro. I'm waiting. He said, "Get the fuck, get back." Yeah, bro. It's my candle, though. Size down and take it. Size down and take it if you believe in it. Oh yeah, size down. Go down to smaller size and take it if you want to take it. Yeah. What is it? It's like what, $20-$30? If that's what you want to do. I'm not telling you to take the trade. I'm saying if you feeling like you don't want to miss out on the opportunity, size down and take it.
There is a lot of selling right here.
As soon as it took out, he said, "Motherfucker."
It ain't take off yet. It's about to though. All right, a bid just got filled. A bid just got filled right there. I want to see this come down one more time. Come on, just come down one more time. Come down one more time off that bid. Nah, this is it right here, Valdez. This is it. This is it.
Justin said, "Nah, it's over, bro. Just stop hoping, bro. It's over."
We're gonna get this candle that you like, the candle where we come down and come back up. This is the candle we about to get right now. I'm calling it.
That means Valdez in. He did not keep his hands off.
I told you this is your candle right here, bro.
Oh my god, y'all are crazy, man. It's just like, yep, you about to miss it. You about to miss the trade right now.
This is your candle.
I own that spaceship. Let's get it. Yeah, they about to take off.
This buying is ticking. Is getting higher too.
Nah, that's not what you want to see right there. But we're still holding.
We're about to go.
Holding.
I'm just seeing
I feel like the buying
absorption down here. There's a lot of selling.
Not me. I see absorption at the high.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's a lot of buying that's getting absorbed at the high.
Yeah, wait. We might. This actually kind of looks like a rising wedge right here.
Yeah, I think we're about to push out of here though. We holding this high right here, super aggressively.
You were holding the low.
Yes, the low. Sorry. Market about to be going.
Here it comes. Here it comes. There goes that strong buying.
Damn it, Valdez! Take the trade! Take the fucking trade! Yeah, they held that nicely. Very nicely. Yo, if we come out of here and fuck around and take the high from yesterday, this market is about to fucking clown, bro. Legit clown.
Yeah.
They've absorbed enough sellers down here to send this thing. That's for damn sure.
Oh.
All right, I gotta go potty. I have to go potty. I'll be right back. What you looking at, Justin?
There's a. I'm gonna take a short here. I'm gonna take a short with the stop above the high. I just noticed something. We flipped character when we came down there and closed. I could be wrong about this. However, no, listen. However, we did just fill a giant ask right there, so I just want to see what we do here,
bro. Look at the 5-minute candle, bro.
No, I see the 5-minute. I see it. Trust me, I see everything.
Okay, that's a ballsy fucking short. I want to see.
It is a ballsy.
I was gonna go pee. I want to see this. Because I see what you see too. I'm like, man, that's actually a really good idea. I'm just not seeing it soon enough. That's a Malik entry right there.
It is if it works.
He said if it works, it is. I think we go up though.
We might take that 50. If we take 50, then I'll just get out. If we end up taking in, start to push. I got to make sure I hit flat and all though, because this thing's been killing me.
All right, I'll be back.
But I'm risking like 9 points, so I'm seeing some absorption here. But if we continue to push, then I'm just wrong. This lower high and fail market. There's the next tap of those orders right there. We tapped it again. Probably gonna break through. There's like 80 orders sitting there though. Okay, we just took them. Let's see what we do now.
You still in the short?
Mm-hmm. I'm still in.
As long as we that high.
Yep. Yeah, looks like we want to push through.
Yeah, we're squeezing. Shit.
Yeah, I just got to stop.
They
They just do that quickly.
That's
We
a
did close.
ballsy short, but
Yeah, we did close. We did close below there. I probably should have let that order get taken first.
Yeah, you should have let it get taken and then like split, because that's that short. That's that nasty short that could have worked when we were in the consolidation because we were ranging, right? And now you could potentially look to short it because now we're coming up to that last little area up there, right? And this is the last sweep before we start taking the last high, right? Like this is the last high that needs to be taken, so to speak.
Yeah. It was damn. I thought we took. Yeah, I messed up because we took the liquidity once and we put it back on there. I thought we took it again when we came back up, but we actually didn't take it. But we did reject there, and then that last final time we took all of it, rejected, but just didn't get the continuation. Came up, buyers continue buying. Yeah, no, well, it's okay.
Yeah, like I said, just wait for that flip, man. Because sometimes that it's hard to read those early entries when you're reading them based off the tape. Because that liquidity, even though we pushed down on that tape, we didn't really break through the structure and we held the low. So if we're going to do anything structurally here, we just swept this high. So either we're going to hold this, build value, and then sweep the other high, or this could be the potential push down. But I've just seen no aggressive sellers be able to do any more damage. So this feels like a move to take the last high. We'll take the previous high before we start moving into the supply zone.
Yeah, which is what we might end up doing.
Yeah.
Let's see. What's the whole 50% of this? Oh, we were above it, right? Yeah.
We moved so far away from
Jesus.
That 50 that, damn, it looks like this thing about to come right back down. Maybe use this early. Jeez. No continuation by the Bulls, no continuation by the Bears. Nobody wants to take a high, nobody wants to take a low.
Yeah, if we come back down and take out that low, we're just range bound. Get aggressive. Nah. Although what is interesting is that we tapped the 50% from the previous low from the previous high to the previous low. We did tap 50% perfectly for making a new high.
Yeah, these buyers are here, bro. Somehow they control it. They keeping the VIX in check though, as they push up. Like they're leaving the VIX at like a reasonable level, where it's like, what if we just stay at 50 all day?
Yeah, well, I mean, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, they're all pushing. So
yeah, I think we're moving to take out those highs. Because think about all of the selling that took place down here versus all of the buying that was up here from earlier. Now we're like, we took all the sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity or just sellers, whatever you want to call it, right? We took them out and now we're using them as momentum to potentially get above a high. Because on the 15-minute, if we can just break above 583, this market will send, right? Like it will send. And we'll finally take out 600. Believe in America, folks. Y'all check out Cocoa Futures. What? That's so random, Bray. That's so random coming from you. What's going on, Chateau? Let's believe I'm on that spaceship. Let's go, Yvonne. Good job, brother. Good job. Yeah, we was on it, man. We stepped off too fast.
Too early.
Way too early. And now, you find yourself chasing like stupid shit, right? And it's like, yeah.
We got the same deal going on right here, though. A lot of bid below us. Let's see if we can get some selling here.
Yeah, it's selling, but it's getting absorbed like a motherfucker. A mother lover. we're going, baby. This thing's going. Freaking moving, man. It's moving, man.
We're taking everything.
Every seller that had a problem today, they get cooked right now. Done. When we couldn't take that low, man, that was it for me. I was like, yo, we can't take this low. We can't do nothing but go up. You look at the 15-minute, we basically triple bottom down here.
Yeah, let's see what we do here.
You still looking to get short?
I mean, ain't no way I'm getting long here.
Yeah, so just wait for the pullback to go long. You know the trend is up, right?
Oh no, I know. Well, I mean, either the trend's gonna break. I'm looking to get short, but only if this trend breaks down though. I'm not gonna try to get in early again. I'll just wait for the trend to break. If we keep going up, then I'll just fade it until we get to that 90-minute supply.
I'm tracking.
But yeah, no, I'm not gonna get in early. Which, to be honest, I viewed that as the trade that I took. I viewed that as the head that we put in and a potential lower high in the overall trend, but we just didn't get it.
Yeah.
Once I flipped my mind to being bearish right there, but I'll wait for us to break below 34. If we get below 34, then I'll look to get short. We kind of have a little micro trend right here, but I'm not going to count this as a break. We need to get below, or I'm not going to count that as a pullback. We need to get below 34 for me to look to be bearish. Because honestly, I'm kind of viewing this the same way, but the opposite. Like, if we can't take out this high, then we're probably going to come down and retest the low.
I see what you're saying. You're like, well, there's two ways to look at that high. Like, if we take the high, yeah, we're still bullish. But if we don't take the high, then we're just going to come back down and be back into bearish territory.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm tracking.
So it's gotten a little too early.
Yeah, because if you look to the left, we're still not above that consolidation from this morning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
From the pre-market.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the one from like 720-ish, 725 to
yeah,
like
this is really, really eerily similar to the market review from yesterday. So I'm actually coming aboard with you on those as well. Like, if we can't get above this area, yeah, you're right. Like, this is basically the swing high and swing low from yesterday. Yeah, so take the low of the 724 candle and the high of the 714 candle. That's the swing high right there, swing low that we got to get above. If we can't get above that, we're going to be... But the bulls are definitely pushing this thing, though. Definitely pushing.
We're also tapping under 50% of that area right now, funny enough. Mm-hmm. But we might break it. I mean, if we break it, it's fine. Like, it is what it is. It's not going to take this entry early. I want to see this fail.
Yo, look at NVIDIA, bro.
Yeah, everything is pumping right now. That's another reason why I'm like...
No, everything ain't pumping. Microsoft going straight down.
Microsoft ain't. That's true. But I still feel like NVIDIA still rules the NASDAQ more than Microsoft does, even though Microsoft is the largest.
It's so strange how they're literally going opposite directions right now.
Yeah, and everybody's like, NVIDIA's buying, so we're buying.
Yep. If we're in the NQ and NVIDIA's going up, we're going up. I really like this area for shorts, though. I just don't like how strong we came up here.
That might also be a good thing too. In fact, we came up here so strong. Bulls are looking to enter this in late, or retail might be. We'll see. So I want to see this thing sell off first. Took that paper cut, but I'm not taking another one.
No, that's right, bro. Change, baby, change. I like this candle, but
yeah. It also doesn't help that we was in at the low and we let it go.
Yes, and that's why I was like, you know what? Let me recognize that and just, lay off the charts for a second. But good call on the shorts. Looks like we're trying to break down here. Malik is probably killing this shit today. He like, yeah, y'all can keep fading these shorts, but every time we go up, we come down. Every time we go down, we go up.
They definitely here if you get it at the right level. I was just
you got to get it at the right level. Yeah, like now, I think it's okay to get in after we come back up.
Yeah,
on the 15-second anyway.
I like this area between like 5.5 and 500. I just want to see this continue to dump a little bit lower, and then that'll be okay. Yeah. Damn. NQ got me again, just a little too early. Analysis was spot on.
You be seeing it perfectly. So either you need to extend your stop loss, or just be just a little bit more patient and wait for that liquidity sweep. Because the liquidity sweep is your that's your green light that you keep trying to fade, right? Like you keep thinking that this liquidity sweep, I don't know if that you thinking that, but this liquidity sweep right here is usually followed by a sweep of the low, a sweep of the high, right? And then we start to reverse, right? So that's what I think you're missing. Is just that little extra layer of confirmation by waiting on that liquidity sweep. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they come every time, right? Pause. But they show up like clockwork, basically, those liquidity sweeps. And once they're there, then you know that the market's trying to switch, basically trying to trick the other party into believing that we're going in their direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because we could be coming back down to retest our box, remember?
Yeah, yeah. But at that point, I'll be good to go.
Yeah, you could definitely be in short by then. You're probably already short now. I think about it. He's like, I won't be any more trading for me at that point. I'll be done already. Thanks, though. I appreciate you. Good short, man. Did you get in at 50?
Just a little bit lower, 47. Almost.
I logged into my funded. I took it at 50, bro. I can't help it. I said, you know what? I like this trade. Let me get in. I logged into my top instead of X account, guys. Confession. I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself. It was too good. It was too juicy. I can't be around these charts and not trade, man. I just can't do it. Oh,
there's the break. That's what we was waiting on right there.
Let's go. I was like, you know what? I actually like that trade idea.
Yeah,
Let me log in right there.
We gotta get below VWAP.
Yeah, that was a whole candle. A whole candle right there. Let's go.
We're getting some activity right here. We just want to see buyers hold this. Oh, sweepy sweep.
Oh, come on, Bix. Play along with us. Come on, you know you want to show up.
Oh, Nvidia started to dump. And Nvidia was Nvidia was pumping too, so I knew Nvidia was gonna have to cool off. Oh, so was Amazon. Amazon got a nice selly candle. Oh, we might have caught the body. Yada. Yeah, we just need
to hold right here. I mean, not hold. We need this to break.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna come right back up.
Yeah, I just want to see this retest. Come on.
I hate being a bear. I hate being a bear.
Yeah, but if they start putting pressure on these bulls, we'll be good to go. Come on, just put some pressure on them. Just don't. Oh my God! Of course you want to spike back up, you son of a gun.
Man, I don't like that double bottom right there, man.
Yeah, I don't like it neither.
I don't like that double bottom right there, man. Where's all that aggressive selling y'all just had, bro? This is why I hate being a bear. I hate it so much. Being a bear is so hard. Why, market? Why? Come on, go back down. Go back down.
Okay, as long as this fails, we'll be good. Go grab that liquidity at 35. There you go.
I'm not even tripping, bro. My risk is $15.
You're two micros.
By 2 micros. I'm gonna let these things wax, baby. Either I lose $15 or you come on down.
How many points are you risking? Like 10?
3.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm in at 50. What I need to risk more than that?
True.
The high is the 50% on the break is at 53. Well, I need to risk more than 15 for.
True.
I mean,
true,
3 points. If we take that, then I'm out the trade.
That's a damn good risk, honestly. Like I can't even be mad at that.
Like, I'm done. If we take that, I want out of the trade anyway. So and if we close below here, my stop's going above this high because we shouldn't take that high either. So, but if we don't close, then I'll take my little $15 loss and move the F on to the next trade. In fact, I'm about to go to break even because I don't like what I'm seeing.
That's what I'm going.
I'm going
to break even. We're struggling, and if we don't break down from here, I don't want in this trade anymore.
That's why I hate being a bear, man. Because it's like, look how easy we came up here compared to how hard it is to sell off a couple freaking points. Do your damn job. Nah, bro, we about to come back up, bro.
We might. We're struggling at that 50%.
I hate micros. I would have sold this shit at a mini. I'd have been completely out. I'd have hit my target for the day and been done.
I think we moved like 20 points.
They about to rally this thing.
Yeah, I just got stopped out. Yeah, they just cannot break it down.
Well, I'm taking my little $10 and leaving. I don't even like being a bear. Fuck this. I'll just wait for we come down
and
to
watch.
be a bull again. It'll probably dump, but I don't care, man. I do not care, bro. Like being a bear sucks. This market, it sucks.
It's tough. It's tough to be a bear. It is.
It's tough, man. Like I hate it so much. Like when the market is this bullish, it's just hard to be a freaking bear. I just can't do it, bro. Look how hard we sold off, and then immediately it was just like stop, go, and then stop, and then go. It's because the VIX isn't high enough. Like the VIX is just not strong. There's no participation from the sellers. It's like they're selling the market, but it's just because like we have to. You know what I mean? Like we have to sell the market, therefore we are.
What's interesting is that the rest of the market's trying to move up, but Nvidia's still selling off. I don't know, it's just weird because I feel like Nvidia is just selling off just to pop back up.
My wife said, "I thought you weren't traded." You caught me, babe. I'm done. I locked it up. I closed it up. I made a little money and bounced. I couldn't help it, baby. I couldn't help it.
He made $15.
Being around all these traders, man. That's what it is. Oh my god! I hate being a bear. I hate it. Oh, it was money. Look now. Watch how choppy this trip down is going to be, Justin. And it's all going to be because we're probably just about to put in another double bottom and then go.
Probably. I mean, this could be a lower high right here.
Oh, it's definitely a higher low. You mean?
Or higher? Yeah, higher low. Yeah, my bad. My B.
Let's see what Michelle did. See if she did better than us at holding.
Oh, she did.
Oh, she took the longs.
Yeah, that was the initial. The initial
longs. Good job. Oh no, she sold. She sold the market at the top.
She hit her price target.
She said she was working on taking partials. That's what she's working on right now. Yeah. I just hate this choppy.
Yeah, we're coming back up. We're basically just finding buyers right back here.
all it is, man. That's why I can't be a bull. I mean, a bear. I can't be a bear. It's too strong, man. Too strong, bro.
Again, the early entry. I mean, we didn't really get the early entry. We did break down and got.
I got the perfect entry. My entry was textbook. My entry was freaking textbook. I just can't hold through this crap. Like, I just can't do it. I just don't want to. It feels uncomfortable. It makes me feel uneasy. You know why? Because I'm in the overall wrong direction. Overall, the market's trying to go higher. It's not trying to go lower. It's a reason why every time we come down, the VIX keeps dropping lower. It's because the market continues to buy. If the VIX was participating like it was yesterday, pushing into the 60s and 70s, then yeah, I'd be okay with it sliding. But we can't even get above 50 today on the VIX.
Yeah, let's see. This is an area where I want to see if bears end up defending again, or if we end up
entry at 517.25 and holding. Good. You need help, go to a meeting. TA Traders Anonymous. We have one every Sunday. Literally, that's the name of the Twitter space. Traders Anonymous. 1-800 Traders Anonymous. I go every Sunday, babe. It don't help. It's like being around a bunch of alcoholics.
Oh. It's a good entry at 517.
He's in at 517 and holding, is what he said. Yeah, good. I think that's a really good entry. If I had that entry, I would probably still be in this trade.
No, he's talking about longs. You got in at 517. Oh, okay.
I know. I'm saying if I would have stayed in my entry, there would have been no reason for me to sell. I would have sold at this high though. I would have got out at 556 for sure. Look how slow the market moves when it's trying to sell off, bro.
Yeah, I think this is the level we're about to put in this double top and die. No, we can hold this. It's got a lot of buying that came in right there. A lot of buying.
This is the 50% tap again to the sell side.
Yeah, let's see if we put in a lower high here. More buying coming in.
They can't stop them, man.
Well, this cannot fail. If this fails, they're in trouble.
This is so slow, bro.
We're in the afternoon session now.
Good Lord, this is slow. Oh my God. This is boring. I'm ready to go for my walk. My afternoon walk.
This is a battle right here.
Yeah, it is. Whoever wins this is going to send the market or dump the market. And I'm not betting against buyers. I'm just not doing it. Look at these motherfuckers, greedy bastards. What time is it?
Grace is alive.
10:50, right on the dot. Let's see if we reverse this thing here. Well, 11:50 now on the East Coast, rather. I like this for a reversal if it doesn't hold. Look at all of this buying not moving the market. See all of those lots coming in that aren't moving the market? That's very, very bearish. All of that buying coming in and we're not moving this market higher, that is extremely bearish.
Yeah, that's a retap of that 50% right there. That's actually the first time we've tested it, but let's see if we can get below. We have to get below 45 though. Let's see.
Bears can't hold it down, man. We're just going to continue to travel higher. Every time we sweep, we sell down, but we sell down right back into demand and we find more buyers. I think she wants to come down, man.
Yeah, I don't disagree.
It's just so ugly. Ugly sell-off, man. Ugly when trying to sell off, I should say. Inverse head and shoulder at the low. No aggressive selling at the high. This thing can't do nothing but go up, bro. Market don't know how to do nothing but go up these days. That's it. Another retest here of this high.
Chopping around at this high.
Another retest of this high. I'm like, man, come on. What are we doing? This is horrendous. Oh,
yeah, we're probably gonna break this. We're probably gonna break the high. The market just keeps making lower lows and lower lows or higher lows and higher highs. Jesus, I can't speak.
It just, when it's selling, it sells off in spurts. So even when you're looking for like the pullback comes, but it's not like it. I don't know how to explain it. There's no continuation. When the market comes back way too aggressively, right? Way too aggressively.
Looks like we missed a nice little sell there on CL.
Oh, the CL drop.
Yeah, gold drop. Why is it every time the market wants to be
stupid,
all the other ones want to choose a direction? Gold chose a direction.
Yep.
Every time NQ and ES want to just be in some type of small little range, you just look at GC and you're like, okay, we rallied, we made a lower high, and then we just dumped the rest of the day. We've just been dumping. We chose violence. NQ ain't choose nothing.
Chose fucking consolidation is what it chose.
ES chose nothing.
Just boring.
Yeah, I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do.
We're not moving, bro. Ain't nothing to do. We're not moving.
Let's check and see. How did you guys do? X. You're killing me, X. You're killing me. We got one sub. Does that mean one of you X people came over and subbed? Beggars can't be choosers, but choosers can choose the bag. So let's choose the bag. Get over here and subscribe, damn it.
Bro, what are we trying to do up here?
Is that a sloppy head and shoulders or a sloppy inverse head and shoulders?
Bro, it's ugly. Whatever it is ugly. It's fuggly.
Yeah, I could see
it both ways.
I can see price. It's there. What's really nice about ES though is that once we got below that consolidation from the overnight session or like the morning session, once we reclaimed it, we actually retested it twice and held that level really nicely. So that's actually, if you're gonna get long on ES after we broke, that was probably the area to look to get long. It was really nice. Other than that, but even then on ES, like let's say you would have got long at 52.93, we only got as high as 52.98. That's 6 points. You got 6 points. I mean, it's $600, but on 2 minis, but still, that's not a lot.
What the F is this market trying to do? Okay, there we go. Selling off or what? Like,
yeah. ES is in a much better bearish like character than NQ is, that's for sure.
NQ usually catches up with ES, so but just looking at the VIX, it's so hard to be bearish when the VIX continues to push down.
Yeah.
It's like every attempt for NQ to go lower just keeps getting shut down and it just keeps getting bought back up. So it's just so hard. It's like I want to short the market up here, but I need more confirmation than what I'm getting, because everything that I'm looking at is telling me to continue to look to be bullish. If the VIX was coming up, then I would definitely look to be bearish, but the VIX it keeps coming down lower. You see that? Like the VIX is now at 40, which tells me that the buying is continuing up here. Until I see this buying just calm, like the VIX start to get to a level where I'm interested, like I'm not gonna touch this shit.
Yeah, the VIX is still coming down. I was getting a nice little rejection candle though.
Everything's rejected. It's just like the NQ just don't care.
The NQ.
NQ just don't give a fuck, bro. It's like we're not selling. We're just gonna sit here in a 5-point range and not go anywhere.
Well, this consolidation is looking eerily similar to what happened down at the low.
This is horrible price action. Oh, you mean before we pumped?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. But it's hard to trust.
Eerily similar. Ah, shoo! That's what this price action does. It makes you sneeze. It's like I'm allergic to it.
For real, this shit's trash.
All right, looks like we're about to break out. Looks like we're
if we can't sell, we can only go up, right? Like if the market can't sell off, like the market's trying to sell off up here, but it can't. The bulls are too strong. Like the VIX is telling us that the bulls are too strong, right? The bulls just continue to push price higher. So the market can't go down; it only can go up.
Yeah, that buying, that push
the
up,
buying is just continues to push, bro.
Yeah, but it looks so weak. It didn't. I don't know. Like that speed of the buying wasn't the speed that I would like to see. But again, it doesn't matter what I want to see. Like the market's moving up, but I would have liked to see it be a lot faster. So let's see if we reject here. I mean, this is we're basically again retapping the high. So. I mean, so like the market's got to break this. I would have personally liked to see us break the high a lot more aggressively than what we got, but who knows? Maybe we might. We just filled some orders to the sell side, so let's see if we break this and come back and continue to push. But that buying just wasn't very convincing for a high. I mean, it's basically a high a day break is what we're going for right now. So. And again, I'm just viewing, I mean, there's just so much positive delta up here. So let's see what we do.
Or buying. You can't sell, you gotta go higher. That's it.
Yeah.
You try to sell off, you're gonna go higher.
Live and on stream, let's welcome Johnny P to the Discord fam. Shout out Johnny P if you're watching, which
Johnny P.
I assume
is his
you
name
are.
Johnny P, or did you just call him Johnny P?
It's actually John P. That's John Enos, but hey, he said I just signed up for the Discord. But I like Johnny P. I don't know. It sounds gangster.
Sounds like you call him Jimmy.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the shop, brother. Welcome to the shop, man. Welcome
I'm calling
to the
you
shop,
Johnny
man.
from now on. I don't care. Yeah, he said I'll take it. Cool. I'll take it. Sounds gangster.
I like it. All right. If you like it, I love it.
Johnny
Again,
P,
I'm seeing all of this buying coming in, but it's making me very bearish, very, very bearish, because it's not moving the market the way I would like to see it move the market.
Yeah,
the way that I'm accustomed to seeing it move the market, it's not doing that.
There's no follow through.
Yep, I'm getting very, very bearish up here. I just want the VIX to start to agree with my thesis. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit here and wait. But welcome to the shop, John.
For me, I like everything that Hobbs is seeing. The only thing that I want to see now is just some strong selling come in the market, and I'll just wait for the retest of that strong selling. As long as we're up here and we don't get the strong selling, I don't care what this market does. Well, there it is. That was the type of buying I wanted to see right there. That buying where it's almost like it's a magnet, like we're like magnet to the price. Yeah, that's what we just got. Now let's just see if we get the continuation. We just broke above the high of day. Let's see if this fails or if we continue to buy. But that was a high of day break. Just don't want to see this fail if you're a bull. All right, bulls. All right, bulls. You win.
Look at all of this buying, bro. This shit is nuts. These boys don't care. They only go one direction, bro.
Yeah, the funny thing is, off that consolidation that we just had, we just tapped right back into it, and then we just ripped. But
we're tapping into this 50% of this previous high and low. So I want to see. I'm very curious to see how we react here. But with the VIX not participating in any type of selling, like I'm not looking for much. I'm more so just using that consolidation as an area of retest.
Yeah. Again, I think I need to. I just need to see the strong selling come in, and then icing on the cake is we can break below 53750. We break below that swing, and I think we'll be good. The selling just looks weak. I'm not seeing anything like aggressive. All right, we're coming down. I'm short 5-4. No, I'm joking. I'm not short. I kid. But we just broke through. That consolidation that we just pushed off from. So I just want to let's just take out a low. Let's just take out a low real fast. Come on, Bears. Take out a low. 21. Can you do something for me? Sellers, can you do something for me? Take out a low, sellers. Take out a low. Take out a low, sellers. Take out a low.
Justin, you should just forget
everything
you've ever learned about being a rapper. Just
no.
Don't ever do it again. Just don't.
I thought that was great. Hey, sellers, can you do something for me? Call Hobbs. He's an ops right now for me. Sellers.
Yo, can the market please do something? Because Justin about to drive me crazy. When the market get boring, he started thinking he like a low-key a freestyle artist or something. I don't know what's up.
Sellers, take the low out for me.
I just signed up. Oh, what's up? Oh, it's John. John Ennis. What's up, bro?
You didn't. I was reading. I didn't put
two and two together. His rapping is like my singing. Yes, baby.
100%. Take the low out for me. Take the low, 21. Take the low, 21. Take the low. I ain't got nothing. Hey, all I'm saying is my accounts are marked safe from all this, but oh my god,
girl,
21.
I took that one trade and I was like, I don't like it because I want to be a bear, but I can't, and I'm not good at it. And we're not following structure the way I like to see us follow structure. Like it's just really, really choppy today, and I'm just slowly becoming not interested at all.
21. Take the low out for me. Then call the ops right next for me. 21. Do your thing.
21.
It ain't take the low out yet. Hobbs, 21 hasn't done his job yet.
Bro,
You need to take out the low.
These bulls, they just don't want to go. I'm not touching this unless the VIX picks up. I'm just not doing it. If the volatility index picks up and tells me to go short, I'll go short. But
I mean, look at Nvidia right now, bro. Look at Nvidia.
Straight up VIX is in the dirt, bro. Like I just can't do it. I can't do it.
Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon are all flying. Yo, who bought an Amazon package? Hey, Shay, don't mute me. Don't mute me. It's 21. It's 21. Do your thing, 21. God.
Amazon, glad y'all have to endure what I have to endure this whole
Apple, time. And these three are out here ruling the world. Who rules the world? Apple. Who rules the
markets
world?
just can't go higher, bro. It can't do anything but just.
Oh my God!
No, it can't go lower. So it's like, I mean, what else is there to do but go up higher?
Yeah, I can't long the market up here. Nah. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. But I can't short the market with the way the market looks. And my next trade is going to be with the mini. So I need to make sure this is a good one. But if I don't get anything, then
the only way I'm whipping out a mini is if the speed of this market picks up a little bit. Like I feel like I'm in an empty grocery store trying to steal some candy.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I mean, the crazy thing is, like, if you get the early entry, like if we would have got the early entry at 65, we could have taken it down for that 10-point scalp. But at this point, if I'm looking for shorts, that's all I'm looking for is like 10 points until we break some structure. But we're coming down. We're breaking through that consolidation, which is really nice. We got that nice consolidation. We had some pretty aggressive selling up at that high. And we're rejecting high of day. So
look how hard it is for us to sell off. Bro. Look how difficult it is for the market to come down, bro. Like this shit wild.
You're wild.
Huh?
I'm bored.
I'm like, what? What are you talking about, Justin?
I'm bored. Don't pay attention to what I said right now.
He said you're wild. What? What are you talking about, bro?
I don't know. Here comes some selling though. Let's see.
If the VIX can pick up, we can get aggressively selling. But damn, the VIX just refuses to stay above 40, man.
Yeah, it's still
which is a good thing because when you think about it though, I just had an epiphany. And you know when I have an epiphany, it's a good thing.
Here we go.
So if you think about it, all this buying is saying the VIX is saying that all of this buying is coming in, and we're at the high with all of this buying still coming in. We're not breaking the high. So if that's the case, then there's somebody absorbing that buying that haven't really like showed their hand yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the question is, are we buying into his hand so he can dump the market? He or she can dump the market? Or are we just, too much buying going on? I don't know. There's two theories here, right? I'm just not betting against the Bulls. But I do like the short idea here. I would just need the Bears to step the F up and really start showing their hand.
I'll just wait for the structural shift to happen. If we don't get the structural shift, I just won't take it.
Because I know this. Like, do your worst.
Because even up at the high, like I see where there was selling, and like we even went back and we re-tapped into that selling and failed, but it's just hard. It's just hard. It's hard to be a bear up here.
It's hard to be a bear when Nvidia is pushing toward $1,000. It is coming into supply right now, though. Nvidia is coming into 2-hour supply right now. So let's see how Nvidia reacts to this area.
On the 15-minute, Nvidia's had like not even. Let's see, where's that 8 o'clock candle, 9:30 candle? There it goes. Nvidia's had 2 red candles the entire day.
I mean, like that's why it's like it's so difficult to be a bear today when Nvidia is acting like that, bro. Like you would think that we should be selling. Nvidia's, like I said, Nvidia's coming into supply, but nah, the market don't care. Market's in bearish character, bullish character, so it's gonna keep buying.
Maybe Microsoft can start rallying, and then everything else will dump.
look at all of this buying coming into this area, and it's not moving the market higher. Like there's an absolute shit ton of buying coming into this area right now, and it's just not moving the market higher. That is bearish if I've ever seen it. But the market won't sell off, the VIX won't get higher, and Nvidia just keeps buying.
Yeah.
There's no structural shift. Like we just continue to move higher.
Custom BBQ says, "What's up, fellas? Your survey should offer bullish, bearish, or boring. I'll take that into consideration for next time."
Real. That's actually a good idea.
LG Willie, I'm saying his whole name. I don't care. He said, "What is the minimum days to withdraw on Apex 10? You have to trade for a minimum of 10 days before you can get a withdrawal." But I don't think they have to be they don't have to be consecutive though. Like you can take a break in between because they have withdrawal periods, right? It's like you got to put in a request like the 1st through the 5th and the 15th through the 20th or something to get the withdrawal. Isn't that how it works?
Yeah, the 1st through the 5th and the 15th through the 20th to get your withdrawal. You got to have 10 days traded within that period, right? Mm-hmm. So and it's got to be consistent. Like you can't make 10 grand and then start trading micros. So
yeah, they have a 30% rule, but I'm pretty sure they don't really. They're one of those companies where it's not. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like if you do get a $10,000 day, then you might be subject to that. But I mean, if you get like
is gearing up for a very large move to the downside.
I do too, but
I'm just watching.
I want to be certain. So
I'm watching Nvidia coming to this supply zone, and with all of this buying. As we came to the supply zone, with everything I'm seeing, I'm just waiting for the confirmation for the VIX. Because I think if we get the confirmation from the VIX that the selling has started, I think this thing's going to really drop like hard. There's a lot of buying going on at these highs, like a ton. It reminds me of exactly what happened during the Tokyo and London session last night, where they just bought, but they couldn't move price any higher. And then when the sellers started to sell, all of that buying became sell side liquidity, right? To move the market down faster. I think this market's going to come down. If we're not going to buy above 600, I just don't see us wanting to buy higher.
So if we break below 545, do you count that as a shift? Even though we didn't break the previous low, we broke the current low on the right hand side.
Yeah, so I don't count it as a shift until we get below 36, because that low did not bring a true high, right? That low at 4.5 didn't bring a true high. Instead, it was a false high. It wasn't a closure above. But I can understand, based off that bearish candle, why you would want to short at like 56, because that bearish candle, we tap back in 50% of that bearish engulfing candle, and it's coming from a previous supply zone area. You know what I mean? So like a short right there is not a bad short, right? Because you did allow it to break and then retest and fail. So you're playing that failure. I think, look at the tape, man. They're loading a lot of liquidity at 70. Like I think they're getting ready to dump the hell out of this market. I'm just waiting to see what the VIX is gonna do. Huh?
So basically you could look to take the early entry there, realizing Well, I was gonna say, realizing that if we don't break below 37 or we don't get below 37, then we put in a higher low, then we're just going to continue up and you got to get out.
Exactly. Yeah. Because you're taking the early entry, but it's a calculated entry because you got a bearish candle structure at 1202. You have a bearish engulfing candle at 1203. We came back in and couldn't get back above that structure break. So that's a good entry, right? Like nobody's going to be mad at that entry, especially when we came back and retested it at 1210 and we couldn't break it. Like that's bearish. You understand bearish shit, but sometimes you take a too early entry, right? You'll take the entry before we get that candle at 1202. You know what I mean? And that's where you're getting cooked. You'll take the entry at you see the same thing happen on the 1135 candle, and then we got the bearish engulfing at 1136. We came back in and retested it at 552, the price at 552, but then when we came down, see the failure, that's where you should be getting out at. Then we came back up and swept the high, and we did the exact same thing. This time we come down. Say what, bro?
He says it's been the longest day ever.
Yeah, this market's been trash. This shit's been absolute trash. But again, for me, in order to participate in the selling, I want to see confirmation from the VIX. Somebody else may not wait for confirmation from the VIX. I'm liking everything that I'm seeing on the tape, but I want to see that confirmation from the VIX that the selling has really. I want to see this tape speed up right here. There we go. That's what you want to see.
Has anybody checked out Flexi Trade funded accounts? I think about jumping on a 50K account. Never heard of them.
Flexi
add
Trade
to my list. Let's look while I'm waiting for this thing to come back up or potentially fail here.
Yeah, see, now they're putting that resting liquidity over here, guys, at 18,570. And John, if you want to jump in the Discord VC, you can see the tape, and I'll explain exactly what I'm seeing on the tape. We're putting resting liquidity up here at 70, but remember, to the bullish side, we could just be in a range. If we break here, we'll be out of the range, right? So let me let this load up so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. If we break on the other side of this consolidation, this market is going to flush.
Okay, yo, Michelle out here killing the game.
Yeah, guys shorted 558. Yep, that's where you want to get in it. That's the entry because of what we talked about in the market review multiple times, right? We saw the same look. This is the exact same look they gave us yesterday, right?
Yeah, I had my box sitting there. I had a box between 556 and 565. I just didn't take the trade because I didn't want to get in early. I wanted to see everything else breaking. I was sticking to it, but I did put a box there.
But it's it's not always about taking the trade. It's about recognizing the trade, right? Like we recognize this right now, and this should hold. But we also recognize that we're in a range, and that's why I'm waiting personally on the VIX to tell me that the sellers are here, because all of this is telling me is that we're in a range right now. Right?
Yeah,
if the selling doesn't break this low, the bulls are going to come right back up. No questions asked. Right? They're going to come back up and slay everybody that got short at the low. Everybody that got short on that candle right there are about to get cooked if the VIX doesn't pick up. When the VIX picks up, you'll know that the selling has started. Right now, this is consolidation. And that's all I'm viewing it as, is just a range. Until the selling picks up, the market's not going to sell off. It's not. I guess that's pretty much duh, but you get my point. You guys understand what I'm trying to say. Until the VIX picks up, the market's not going to sell off, is what I should be saying. Damn, the Dow sold the off. Oh my God, it's off my charts right now. I have to scroll up to find out how bad the Dow was. Jeez. I should have just traded the damn Dow.
This flexi trade actually ain't that bad, bro. Yeah, they do it at 90% off, and you can bundle accounts, bro. You can buy 5 50K accounts for $80.
Look, and here comes the buying coming right back up. Right? Here comes the buying coming right back up.
We couldn't break that low. That low liquidity got taken, and then we came right back.
That's all they did. Like and that's why I don't like being a bear in this market, not for long, because you can see why. Like the bears just are short-lived. They're only just pulling back bearishly inside of this range, right? That's all we're doing. Right? If you go and zoom out right here, right? My bad. I didn't know I was on this A screen. I was watching my Top Step screen. But if you go and zoom out right here, right? Let's just take this away, right? And let's just do this. Let me show you guys how I'm viewing this. We're basically consolidating at the high. Right?
I think we're about to break all this now.
I think we're about to break it all down too, because we got all of that selling that came in at the high is bearish. I mean, it's bullish as hell. But if we can't break the high, there's a reason why I can't be bearish, because look. Let me just show y'all the VIX. If the VIX is at a standstill and not moving, that means there's no volatility in the market. There's no fear in the market. Unless this VIX is going to move higher, I can't be a bear. Like, I just can't do it. And when I see these things on the market, like, as much as I want to be a bear at this area, I can't. The market will not allow me to short it. right? Not with everything I know about the market. I just can't do it. Do I think this is a good area? Yes, I 100% do. Right? I just need to see some type of aggression from the Bears, and they're not showing up, man. It's mostly because of Nvidia.
Draw 50% from high to low from the previous swing high to low on from 10:05 to 10:50, and look where we bounced.
Oh yeah, this was our box. This is what I told you. I was telling you I was waiting on price to come down here. I think we just missed it, or I don't know what the hell he's doing. Right here, 10:05. God dang it.
Yeah, just to the low, to the low of the.
I'm trying to get there. My computer's just being stupid.
There you go. You got it.
Yeah, this was Yeah, I didn't even see this. I think I was looking at this one right here. But yeah, we just bounced right there. Mm-hmm. But again, but remember, we're coming from here, right? Because this consolidation. Hang on, let me grab this box. I don't know why my shit is like acting stupid. All right, so we're coming from here, right? This previous high. I don't know what the heck is going on. This high right here brought us this low, right? So on the bullish side, on the bearish side, this is why I'm bearish up here, because of this box, right? We just keep tapping this damn box and not going no damn where, right? So the bears are defending the hell out of this box, right? That's why I'm still bearish up here, but I just can't be bearish because the VIX won't participate. Anyway, I think that's it for me, man. I think we're done. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. I got laundry. Yeah, it's 11:20. All right, I got laundry to do. I told wifey I was gonna put the sticks down for a little bit, not trade the funded accounts. 230 people in the building today. Let's freaking go. 230 people in the building. We appreciate each and every last one of you guys. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get out of here, go get some freaking manly duties done for the wifey, right? So, Justin, what you got to say to the people, man, for Friday, man, in the shop, bro?
Be safe out here in these streets, because it's tough to be a bear. It should be the right thing to do, but this market does not want to give it. So just be safe out here.
Huh? Permission?
Oh, he just changed his name. I do have permission.
He said he don't have permissions. He do not have permission.
Okay, that's fine. We'll get you fixed.
We'll get you taken care of, John. Don't worry about it.
It might be you should. No, you should. You got rolls, so you should be good. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll message you. We'll figure it out. We'll hop on a call or something.
Yeah, message me on Twitter or something like that. We'll figure it out. We'll message you. Matter of fact, we'll message you on Discord and figure it out, because you should have rolls. 100%.
Yeah, you should definitely have rolls. But yeah, we're definitely in this range right here. So just be safe. Be safe trading in this range. And
he doesn't have rolls. I got you, John.
I was just looking. It definitely says, unless it's did you get in with the second account or something?
Oh, who's John P?
That's him, but he changed his name.
That's why he didn't have rows. Let me take these rows off John P.
I think.
Let me double check. Let me double check.
When I see his name, it says he's got rolls. You just took away John P's rolls, though.
Yeah, I did. But I think that's the same person.
It is the same person.
Yeah. We can't hear you, Pip, if you're talking. Yes. What's up? What's good? Chilling, bro. Chilling, man. I did end up opening up my account, took a trade, made like $15, and I was like, I just can't with this price action. I'm out of here. I broke it. Yeah, I broke it. I know.
We got 233 people in here watching. Before we get out of here, I'm making one last plea to y'all over on X. One last plea. Come follow your boys. Come on. Y'all over here chilling on X. Y'all can't hit 3 buttons to come over to YouTube and just hit the subscribe button. Y'all can't do that for me. I only need 30 of you. You could be one of the 30. You know what I'm saying? I guess I'm asking for too much.
Yeah, Justin, they ain't fucking with you, bro. They ain't fucking with you.
Oh my god.
Anyway,
Y'all done
don't
watched
stay in
the
this.
whole
Don't
stream?
stay in this market and lose a bunch of money, man. This market is. I think the market's trying to move up. Just reading the VIX. I don't think the market's trying to move down, but it's in an area where we could look for it to go down. But know the difference between area and confirmation, right? So that's all I got. I don't think we got anything else, man. I'm excited for next week. I'm excited to actually open up some of these trading accounts and really get it in. So have a good day, man. This has been an exciting journey. I can say that much. Exciting journey. So that being said, my name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.